Up chat, Merry motherfucking Christmas. I thought it'd be a good idea to stream on Christmas Eve if I had time, and I did have time, so here we are. Merry Christmas, guys. I will not be streaming tomorrow because tomorrow's Christmas, but I had time tonight, so here we are. Here we are. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm still sick. I'm gonna try to mute my mic every time I need to talk or I need to cough. Merry Christmas, Soul. Merry Christmas, Snorlax. What the fuck? Thank you for saying Merry Christmas to Snorlax. Please, everyone say Merry Christmas to Snorlax. It's very important that you guys do that, especially right now, because Snorlax won't be with us much longer. That sounds really dark, but Snorlax will not be in the background of my videos for much longer. I think I'm gonna swap him out with some other kind of plushie or something like that. And yeah, so enjoy this big guy while you can. All right. So, anyways, I'm still sick. But fuck it, we ball. Okay. So, coughing like a madman. Okay. So, let's read this chicken scratch. Last night I streamed and excuse me. And I don't know what the fuck any of this means. Oh yeah, we have multi-hit error. Yeah, okay. So that's probably the first thing we need to tackle, but let's go ahead and go over the code. Because last night we did make some progress on the we finished the color text. We finished the color text. Let's fucking go. Alright. So let's actually run through this really quick. Everything's good. Okay. Yeah, so let me just show you guys how much we're cooking. So party member 1, we'll name him Austin because that's my name. Warrior, we'll do Harry. Mage, we'll do Charlie. Archer, and then we'll do Jack. Healer. Perfect. So look at that. We got some colors. Let's fucking go. All right. Fight. Now this is the coolest shit. All right. We got attack and defend color coded based on what kind of skill they are. It's based on this. You guys probably can't even read this. I'm having a hard time reading this shit, I'll be honest. But it says damage, buff slash heal. These are like the normal skills, and then damage magic and buff slash heal magic, the magic skills. So boom, we got colors. We got colors. Let's fucking go. All right, so we have that right here. Do attack, and this is the coolest shit. I went over this last night, but I'll go over it again. This is the coolest shit in the world. All right, this is what makes me the GOAT. Okay, this is what makes me the certified GOAT. Is we have these targets are color coded based on their HP. So if it's green, that means they have like high HP. If it's yellow, it's like middle, and if it's red, it's like low HP. Ain't that just the shit? I mean, let's go. Come on, give me a hand. Right. So if we attack enemy 1 repeatedly, right, we will eventually see that enemy 1 turns yellow. And I don't know if you guys could see that as well. We also have Jack, I think it was. Yeah, Jack is at like 30. Jeez, Jack's about to die. And then we also have these color coded as well. Like the numbers, like if it's green, that means that it was like a buff slash heal. If it's red, it was like a damage, like a normal damage. And as you can see, even our names change: yellow, green, red, whatever the fuck. So that's what's up. Hey, come on, that's what's up. That's what's up. Let's give ourselves a hand right there. I can read it just fine, but I'm proficient in chicken scratch. Okay. Okay, I'm glad. Because I can't, dude. I can't read this shit. I can't. I wrote it, and I can't even read. Like, if someone showed me this, I would not be able to, like, tell what this is, like, whatsoever. So, good on you, Derpy. Good on you, Derpy. Good to see you, by the way. We have IDK as well in the chat. Good to see you as well, IDK. Hope you guys are having a very jolly Christmas so far. Okay, so the thing is, though, we are having an error. Okay? We are having an error. And it was like, it's something to do, I think, with... No, okay, that worked just fine. But it's something to do with... Wait a minute. Wait. Maybe it's... That could be it. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on, chat. We have Austin, Harry, Charlie. Okay, yeah, it doesn't do that. Enemy 2 has fallen. That is correct. But last night we had it where, like, the enemy was, like, hit, like, 6 times or some shit. It was kind of insane. I don't know how that happened, but it happened. And I would like to recreate it so I can maybe kind of get to the bottom of it, but we were having trouble doing that. Austin, yeah, okay, Austin died. Okay. Enemy 3 lost. Yeah, that should be right, I think. Because there should only be 2 of us alive, I think. Charlie lost 26 HP. Yeah, okay. So that should still be accurate. I don't know how to recreate that bug. But last night I saw it and I was like, what the fuck? Why did it do that? But honestly, it seems to be solved. I mean, it's not doing it again. We're not able to recreate it, which is a good thing. Okay, sick. Nice. Still works just fine. Nice. And it turns green whenever we win the battle. What's up, Danny? Literally just woke up. Yeah. Yeah, time zones. I forget. Good to see you again. I'm still sick. Merry Christmas. I don't know if you celebrate it, but Merry Christmas. Alright, nice. So, we're not able to recreate that bug. I don't know what exactly caused that bug, but something did. Okay? But we're just gonna ignore it. We're gonna act like it doesn't even fucking exist until it comes back. So, that's my solution. So, anyways, hope everyone's having a good night so far. Hope everyone's having a good Christmas Eve. I don't know how long I'll be streaming. It probably won't be like for a crazy amount of time. It'll probably just be like for a little bit. We got the Arizona tea. It's already like halfway. I've been sipping on it. I've been sipping on it already. All right. So, but yeah, I hope you guys are doing good tonight. It is, bro, it's like the hottest fucking Christmas Eve in the world right now. It's 71 degrees Fahrenheit in Texas, which I think is like, it's around like 21 Celsius, I think. Let me see. 2 Celsius. Yeah, it is 21.6667. Very cool. Very cool. Do you do that in America? What? Christmas? Yes. Christmas is very big in America. Christmas is very big in America. That and 4th of July. Because, you know, freedom and whatever. So, why is it not focused? What the fuck? Okay. I guess it's just not going to focus. Yeah, so let's go back here. I guess this is fixed. I don't know. So I'll just do this. So now I guess we can start working on this. Refactoring the leveling system, because right now we are not, or we are leveling up, but it's like still using the old methodology, so we need to go ahead and fix that. So what we're gonna do is be good programmers and create a new branch for that specifically. Check out B. We'll do feature new leveling. I don't know, some shit like that. Excuse me. Nice. Okay. Sup? What's good, IDK? How are you? Thank you for saying hi to Snorlax. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I don't know why I did this. That's the universal Merry Christmas symbol, if you didn't know. Alright, nice. I'll go ahead and delete this. We don't need that. Nice. So we're going to be refactoring the leveling system. Now, this is going to be a little difficult because there's a lot of stuff that is new. There's a lot of stuff that is new. And we need to refactor the leveling system because we added new stats. And what was the other reason? I wish I should have wrote this shit down. Why did I not? Who didn't let me write shit down? Let's get a good idea of this, of like our current leveling system. And then we can write down what we want to change about it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So I think we were handling the leveling system, or like leveling at the very end. So I think it was in battle. Yeah, I believe it was like in battle. Let me see. Yeah. EXP dropped. We get it from the loser. EXP dropped. Or EXP drop. Yeah, because each Yes. I do know this. I finished my breakout project a couple days ago. Hell yeah, nice shit. It turned out okay. I'm working on a 3D stuff now, along with making a 2D game engine backend, no editor. Damn. Good shit, IDK. Good shit. Nice job. Hey, cheers to that. Cheers to that. Cheers. With my Arizona tea. Hashtag not sponsored, but I should be. Because that's my shit. Alright. But yeah, good shit, bro. That's awesome. EXP dropped. Let's see. Yeah, so we divided by the party size. Yes. What a beautiful product placement. Thank you, Derpy. Yeah, and then we do can level. So we check if each can level. We can honestly reuse a lot of this code. It's just that back with the T, W taste. Fuck yeah, I got W taste. I also have a Red Bull here though. I'm rocking the tea and the Red Bull. I don't know if this is very healthy, but fuck it. It's Christmas. It's Christmas, okay? It's Christmas. So fuck it. Alright. Yeah, so we do. Yeah, so we can honestly reuse a lot of this code. We just need to make sure that we add. Yeah, because if we go to character, excuse me. Yeah, so if we go to character, and I think we need to do that is magic. No, that's a boolean. Stupid. Set defense, right? Stats magic equals no. What's the what did we do for that? I forgot. There's like we made some functions for it. Yeah, set HP stat. Where is that? Where's that at? I don't see it. I don't see it. What the fuck? Oh wait. I think it's a virtual void, isn't it? They're all virtual voids, yeah. Okay, I remember now. Yes, I actually do remember now. What's temperature over in Texas? I've had -20 to 30. Really? Jeez. It is a whopping 21.6 degrees Celsius, I think. Yeah, 21.6 degrees Celsius here in Texas. Probably one of the hottest fucking Christmases we have. What's up, Dietrich? How are you? Merry Christmas, Solbyte and Snorlax. Hell yeah. Merry Christmas, brother. Merry motherfucking Christmas. But yeah, it's a hot ass Christmas here in Texas. Yeah, 71 degrees Fahrenheit, 21.6 in Celsius. Okay, yeah, so did we? I don't think we did that, did we? Set resistance stat. When did we do this? Set resistance. Wait, so did we already do this? I don't know, let's check the formulas. Hold on. We did magic. Oh shit. We might have already done this, low key. Bro, you're so lucky. We get that in late April, maybe early May. To early May. Damn. That's crazy. I don't feel lucky though, because I don't want to go outside. Dude, I want to wear my new winter stuff. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, I have jackets, I have winter wear, but I never get to wear it because it's fucking cold. Or it's not cold, it's hot in Texas. So it doesn't get cold, like it doesn't get like super cold in Texas until usually like after Christmas, but it's only cold for like 2 months. Then it goes right back to hell on earth. So that's fun. Wait, so what's new about the leveling system? What did we need in the new leveling system? I don't remember that. Because it seems to be... Oh, I think... wait, hold on. If I go to... Yeah, because we have all of this already set, it looks like. Look at that. Set resistance stats. Yeah. Hold on. Mage resistance, mage magic. Yeah, so I guess we're... I guess we are good. I think the main thing that we need to do is excuse me, redefine this, because right now I don't think it's leveling up anything, or it's not leveling up those other stats. So if we do this, And then set, what is it? Attack stat, defensive stat. We have HP stat, magic stat. Do magic stat. I think it's just these 5, possibly. I don't know. Resistance stat. Yeah, it might just be those 5, low-key. I don't know. For gore. I'm currently writing notes on Fong. What is Fong? What is that shit? Lighting with shaders. I prefer paper notes because they ingrain the info in my head, unlike typing. I agree. I take down stuff. You know, I mean, you know, you could probably tell from this fucking chicken scratch, so. But anyways, looks like we're having some connectivity problems. Are we having connectivity problems? Are we having connectivity problems? I can't tell. I don't know. The thing just like shut off for a little bit. But I don't know. If everything's fine, let me know, chat. Yeah, so magic stat, resistance stat, is that it? Resource stat, we might want to do that again too. Smart dude that involved decent per fragment shading. Oh, invented decent per fragment shading. Yeah, so we need to add resource stat to it, I guess, huh? Because that's going to change. Resource stat. And I guess that's low-key kind of it. Like, everything is pretty well-defined, I think. Oh, so if you're going to do OpenGL, as you mentioned before, I am going to do that, yes. You should refresh on your vectors and matrices along with trig if you haven't already. Yeah, I should do that, you're right. It's been a while since I've touched anything trig related, I'll be honest. Fucking ugh. Not that I mind trig, but anyways. Yeah. Okay, I mean, is that it? But yeah, I think because we are nearing the end of this project. We are nearing the fucking end of this project. I'm very excited. And when we do that, I think I'm gonna jump into OpenGL, or I'm gonna like try to find like a project that I can do OpenGL with. I'm not just gonna be like learning OpenGL, like, you know, because that's like kind of boring. I don't know. I like to learn with like a project. Sorry guys, I'll try not to cough in the mic. I keep forgetting to mute my shit. Okay. So let's so if we just run that, will that work? I don't know, we can try it. SOHCAHTOA, what's up, Mighty? Yep, SOHCAHTOA. You already know. Opposite over hypotenuse. I wish I was high on hypotenuse. You guys ever seen that? Alright, I'll shut up. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we need to take a note. Wait, motherfucker, did I? Hold on. Yeah, let's take a note of the XP. Also, I don't think we're resetting the EXP, which is fine, but just take a note of these stats, okay? Hold on. I'm actually gonna... Actually, no, wait. I don't have a working... Fuck. I don't have a working pin next to me. I implemented simple Fong and ambient. And that's it for now. Hell yeah. Okay, we're gonna come back over here really quick. Let's take a note of this chat. Hold on. Let's see. What do we got? 19 attack. Okay. Let's do ATK. 19. DEF. Just to make sure everything is accurate. 10 defense. Well, okay, let's actually not do that. Because this is the hold on. Defense, magic, resistance. Yep, that says resistance. And then resource. Resource. There we go. Attack, resource, whatever the fuck. Alright, HP. We're gonna go based on the mage. So we're gonna do 186 HP. 186 HP. Okay, we have 19. No, we don't. 12 attack, 7 defense. So 12, 7. I think it was 21 21 motherfucking magic. Yeah, 21 magic, 10 resistance. 21, 10 resistance, and how much resource? Doesn't say. Nice. Yeah, no, it's okay, Austin. Let's just not display resource. Okay, that'll need to be fixed. Display. Oh yeah, we're not even using resource right now, I don't think. Or we're not even like, I don't know, fuck it, who cares? We'll come back to it. Okay, yeah, so let's take note of that. Let's go through the fight. While doing a project on the side and add stuff onto the project while it's fresh in your memory and the demos are tutorials. Yeah. That might be the better move, honestly. Yeah, I'll probably just do something like that, honestly. Okay. Party stats, level 2. Let's go. HP was leveled up. Attack was leveled up. Defense was leveled up. Magic was leveled up. Resistance was leveled up. Yes. Nice. Okay, why does it still say the status is dead? We need to reset that status whenever it comes back out. Yeah. I mean, that's fine. We can do that. That's pretty easy. Nice. Hell yeah. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm fucking with that. That's good. So really what we need to do is we need to make sure that, should we make that EXP go back down? I feel like should put a Geometry Dash clone as your project. It looks cool and can be expanded on. Ooh, that might actually be cool. I like that idea actually. Even though I do not fuck with Geometry Dash whatsoever, if I'm making it, then you know, I like it more. Okay. But yeah, I like that. I like that. I think that would actually be a really good project to start with. Okay. I want to be able to display the resources because we're not actually doing that yet. So we're going to go down here, level HP. Right below this, we'll do it. So it'll be like, well, it'll depend, won't it? Yeah, no, I mean, it'll depend. It'll have to be like a ternary, or we can do it like a ternary, yeah. We can do like a, like is magic. Did we still have that? We still have that, don't we? Do we still have that? We may not still have that, I ain't gonna lie. No? Do we not have that at all? Oh, wait, get is magic, right? Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it, actually. Get is magic? Let's fucking go. And we'll keep this, even though this really isn't needed, but whatever. And we'll just do like a ternary, so we'll do... If it's true, we'll do mana. Bada bing, bada boom. But we need to do, we need to do this, don't we? Yeah. Well, no, probably not actually. We can probably just do this and do stamina, right? And then we can do that. Yeah, because it doesn't really make sense to do anything else different. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. So we'll do resource, and then we will do this little dash line here. Yes, sir. Stats, max resource. We'll do this right here. Yes? No. Why? Why is that? Why can we not do that? I'm lost. Can we not do this ternary here? Because if not, that's kind of balls. Well, that kind of fucks me up. I mean, I guess we could just do like... Well, no, what was that one thing we did earlier? Hold on. Hold on, chat. Let me cook. Yeah, we did this, right? Didn't we do a ternary for this? Oh, wait, no. We did not. What did we do a ternary for? Put it in parentheses. Ooh, you might be cooking. You might actually be cooking. I think you're right. That's exactly what we did last time for that other thing too, isn't it? You're cooking. You're actually cooking. Let's go. Let's go, D-Tree. Round of applause for D-Tree. Let's go. You're the shit. You're the goat. All right. So I think that should work, yeah. Let's go in and try that really quick. Because I also want to test and see how the resources are going down. Or if they even are going down. Wait, do we have it where they even go down whatsoever? Hold on. If I go to skills. Skill list? Yeah. I think, is that, why do we have magic numbers, bro? Ugh. Hold on, let me change the song. This song sucks. Damage? P? Okay, C is cost. I think these don't cost anything, do they? Yeah, we did 0. Let's make one of these cost something though. Let's do like 5. Just, why not, right? Just to kind of like see. Or no, let's do 0 on that. We'll do 5 on this. Sorry. 2C3 D4. Okay, print party stats. Yeah, see, look, stamina. Okay, everyone is stamina. Nice. So for some reason, it's not printing how it needs to. It's always stamina. Why is it always stamina? Is it always true? Do we not construct that? Hold on. Because it's going to show, I mean, we can still test it, but it's bothering me. In the constructor, what do we do with that? Do we automatically set it to false? No, I don't think so. Wait, but if we do archer, like if we go here, don't we set it at all? No, we literally don't. So it's probably always... What am I, dumb? Yeah, I think I am dumb. Well, I mean, we can just like, I guess, I don't know. Set is magic. To false, I guess. Just explicitly do that. I mean, fuck it, why not? Go there. We'll do it for these guys too, because whatever. I feel like it's good too. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. Healer. No, not healer. Warrior. Do that. Okay, go to mage. Boom. So that's true. Copy that line right chair. Go here as well. Okay. Maybe now. Because I don't know. It's making me mad. I don't want to deal with that right now. Okay. How's everyone's Christmas, by the way? What did Santa get you? Well, I guess it's Christmas Eve, so. Or I don't know. For some countries, it's actually Christmas Day, yeah? I think. Stupid American. How would I know? Okay, perfect. It works. Let's go. First debug of the day. Let's go. All right, so now let's test out the stamina, the mana, you know, going down, whatever the fuck. So the only thing that's kind of weird is, well, no, I guess it doesn't matter. Well, with those types of attack, yeah, never mind. I'm stupid. Okay, so we'll do attack. Oh wait, that isn't, wait, hold on, I'm stupid. We'll do 2. Okay, so A should have lost stamina. Why does the enemy have 95? What the fuck? Why is our stamina 111? Yo, fam, what? The stamina is 111 out of 58. Did we do like a whatever it's called? We might have. Hold on. Let me go to combat. In perform. Ah, yes, resource regen. Okay, this is probably too much, is what I'm guessing. I'm gonna comment that out really quick. And comment this out as well. Because that's, yeah, so that resource regen is probably way too much. Probably way too fucking much. So, easy fix, fellas. We can very easily change that. Error, love that. Okay. A1, B2, C3, D4. Okay. Fight. We'll have A do that, and then we'll have the rest of these guys do this. Let's print it. All right, perfect. Yeah, so look. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's what we want. Now, because we actually haven't tested this yet. I'm not gonna lie. We have not tested what happens whenever they don't have enough stamina. So what we're gonna do is very temporarily. Here in skill list. Change this to 50. Yeah, we can change it to like 50 or something. Yeah, we'll do that. So we'll do 50 on that, and we'll go back here. Oh shit. I still haven't fixed that. Okay, that's also something that we need to fix before we actually are done with this game, which we're very... Okay. We are on the verge of being done with this game, and I'm so hyped for that. Okay, let's see here really quick. Yeah, so 8 out of 58. Now, if we try to do defend, it looks like it still lets us. Okay, nice. Negative 42 out of 58. Okay, that's what we don't like to see. So I think what happens is because we changed the menu system, we're no longer like reprompting. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening. So, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I think we just have to go to menu manager and change that. We do process turn. Wait, in process turn, do we do that or no? No, wait, we don't need to do that, I don't think. What we might want to do is we might want to do like an if statement or something. I think you're too far in the project now, but for your next project, you should namespace into groups. If you haven't already, like character player or character enemy versus just enemy or player. Yeah, that's probably a better way of going about it. That's definitely better, like readability wise. We'll definitely do that in the next project. There are many things I did not do right in this project that, you know, it's too late now, so. But fuck it, we ball. But yeah, for the next project, for sure. I didn't really name my variables very well either, but it is what it is. Excuse me, guys. Is this get target? Yeah, it is. So, wait, do we not have a, back? Okay, yes. That is good. We need to check. Yeah, so somewhere here we need to, like, actually, flip in, you know what I'm talking about, right? Excuse me. Wait, auto pick skill, game data, or player party, game data, party index. Get skills. We list out the skills and then we select this. Wait, what? I'm so confused by this. What did I write here? Why didn't I add comments? This is terrible. This is atrocious. What is this? Wait, yeah, like, actually, what is this? Oh, this is a for loop. Yes, okay, we're adding each skill to the list of options in the menu. Yes. Yes. Okay. And yes. Okay, this is getting the correct color for it. Yes. And then this is if they select this specific skill. So we changed pick skill to this. No, but what we want to probably do first is do an if statement. Yeah. So we need to actually like check, can they even use that skill in the first place? Check if character can use skill. Okay, this is probably pretty easy. We just go to character. Don't we have something for that already? Like we have like a can use skill or some shit. Not character, but it'll be its skills. Is it a lambda method? Yes. Yes, Sam, it is. Lambda. I'm kind of new to lambdas as well, so it's probably not the most perfect looking lambda, but it is a lambda. So, yeah, so we have can use. So set resource. Wait, get resource. We need to pass in the character pointer though. I mean, that's fine, I guess. I don't know. Kind of stupid, but whatever. We can just use this. I don't feel like rewriting anything. So let's go. We'll need to check this one. Yes? I think that's what we need to do. We need to do can use and store that somewhere, I think, right? Oh yeah, wait, no, that's actually wrong. Because we need to pass in oh my god. This is gonna look terrible. We need to pass in this. Which, yes, it does indeed look terrible, but don't worry about that. If it works, it works. Lambda captures this pointer and indexes by value. Yes. What I meant is, why not just omit the lambda? Well, because the thing is, like, the way that we have this working is we were looking for a solution where they where we are able to commands hold a lambda. Yeah. Commands hold a function. Hold on, I'd have to show you. Where is that shit at? Wait, is it in menu? I don't know. We still need to rename that though. I can't find it. Why can I not find it? Anyways, there's a command there's a command class. It holds a message, like the title of the command, and it holds a function, right? Like, what does that command do? And it's the way that I decided to go about dynamically creating menus. So that way it's easier to add menus and remove certain things from menus, that kind of thing. So that's the whole reason for lambdas, is because we are basically placing back in the skill menu options, this is like the string that would be the title, and this is like the actual function itself. So, all right, let's cook. Let's get back to cooking. Yeah, so we need to do this. I think maybe like an if statement would actually make sense on that. Like if we do if this is like true, then we can do the following. So yeah. But wouldn't we need to put all of this like in parentheses in that case? Right? I think, maybe. Oh, this whole thing looks atrocious, I'll be honest. Oh, so you're passing the lambda to the array. Yeah, exactly. We're like dynamically passing it, if that makes sense. I know it's like kind of odd, it's kind of like weird, but it took me 15 streams to get to this point. That's 15 streams of working on the menu system alone. All right, we've been working on this since Halloween, so, and we were refactoring the menu system for a minute. Just ask Snorlax, he was there the whole time. Okay. Yeah, I think so. If statement, if that's false, we'll just do like, I think we could just do like, just like return like an error message, just like a simple ass error message. And then no, but don't we already have some shit like that? We already have something, don't we? Maybe not. We actually might not, which is fine, but yeah, we don't. Okay, that's fine. Oh yes, while I'm here, let's change the color of the print turn. We'll do terminal foreground. What color should we make this, guys? I'm feeling like a blue. We do that, and then we obviously reset it at the very end. Yeah. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. So the constructor for your command is a title and a lambda. When does the lambda get ran? I'm just curious and bored. No, it's all good. Let me show you the where do we define the command class? I'm actually confused. Where did we define that? Oh, here it is. Yeah. Cool. And we need to rename this file, by the way, guys. Okay. Yeah, so basically, I'm gonna need people to stop texting me, please. Thank you. Holy shit! Why the shut up? Sorry, guys. All right. Yeah. So it's just like a struct. We pass in a void function and the string name. It is ran by using the run menu system. The run menu method. Fuck, I'm confusing myself. And yeah, it like prints all of the options. Sorry, I just sneezed. Jeez, that was a violent ass sneeze, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, and then yeah, it prints all that. We're still having this error message and it's pissing me off, but whatever. Dude, I'm about to silence this fucking group chat, bro. Alright. Alright, hold on, guys. I need to silence the fucking group chat. Give me 1 second. Okay. It is done. Anyways. Where were we? I don't remember. Oh, right, yes. So if it is false, it basically, if they cannot use the skill, we need to clear console, correcto. Yeah, clear console. We will print out the error message, which, don't we have an error message somewhere already? Like just in here? Yeah. We have like, maybe not. We might not actually. Yeah, I guess we don't. I mean, it's fine. We can just, yeah. I mean, whatever. We can just print one. We'll do out, and then we can do, don't we do it like red, I think it is? Terminal, foreground, terminal, red. Invalid option? Yeah. Wait. Not enough. Oh, yes. We need to do a ternary, which is fine. Put it in parentheses. Right? We need to do... Oh god, this line of code is about to look atrocious. Look away, guys. Look away. Look away. This is get is magic. I think it's the right method. No, it's not. Fine. We'll do that. Not enough. So if it's true, we get mana. Not enough mana. New line. Otherwise, stamina. Wait. We don't need a space. Yeah, we don't need that. Because we already did the space, didn't we? Stamina. Stamina. Okay, I spelled it right the first time. Nice. Do that. And enclose it with parentheses. Right? No? Wait, what? Why is that not right? Wait, is it not? Wait, is that it? Oh, wait, get this magic. Oh, wait, no, I'm stupid. Yeah, no, I'm dumb. So, what's good, Dusk? Good to see you. Merry Christmas to you, if you celebrate it. Still going strong on this, I see. We are very close. We are very close. Take a look at... Well, don't look at that. But look. Look at our to-do list. If you can even read this, look at our to-do list. We're refactoring the leveling system, and then we are pretty much done. And then I'm probably going to move on with an OpenGL project. IDK recommended a Geometry Dash clone, which I really like the idea of. So I think we might actually go in that direction for the next project. So that'll be fucking sick. I do celebrate? Hell yeah. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to Snorlax. Right. I got this sweater for Christmas. And no one's complimented on me yet, so... Or no one's given me any compliments yet, so... I can tell that it's a bad one, I guess. I'm obviously kidding. Okay, let's do... Yeah, and then we just need to do terminal reset, I think. Terminal reset, rest. Yeah, that's what I meant to put. Terminal reset. Yeah, I think that works. But then obviously we need to do create select target menu. Wait, do we need to pop it or no? We may not need to pop it actually. No, we don't need to do that. Do we need to do that? Because if we go back, previous party member, clear console. No wait, but we don't even pop it if we do that. What? Currently recovering from the flu, so this is a nice thing to come back to. Dude, I've been sick. I've been fucking sick too, bro. Like, I've been, like, not like deathly sick, but like a cold, I would say. I've had a cold for a little bit, for a couple days. And around Christmas sucks. In somewhat commonly accepted technical terms. Dude, I don't think this is right. Either this is right or this is right, but they both can't be right. I don't know. I don't know. I'm confuzzled. I'm gonna lie. But we don't even pop it though. Like that's the thing. We don't even pop it. No, but we would need to create skill menu again. So I see why we did that. Wait, don't we need to pop here though? I feel like maybe the errors that we were having earlier, like these ones, hold on. Because I wrote down this, we were having a multi-hit error where it was like hitting an enemy like multiple times, even though we only had like 2 usable characters or something. I don't know, some shit like that. And we kept having that issue, but I feel like the reason that might be actually happening is because of the back option. It's not popping the menu, so the stack is just like, it's stacking different. Yeah, actually, I really want to test that before we even really move forward. So I'm gonna just do this for right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this for right now because I feel like that's genuinely it. Let's rerun this bitch. Oh yeah, dusk. It's like 70 degrees not 70 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit in Texas, which is like 21.6 degrees Celsius. How insane is that? It's so hot for no reason. Makes me mad. I want to have like a white Christmas, but no, we can't. Okay, so I feel like, yeah, what was happening is we were doing this, and I think whenever we go back, it's just like adding it to the stack still. So like it allows us to get like multiple different hits or multiple different like things. No, it doesn't seem to do it there. Well, maybe. No, that's the right amount, but I think it was like around the end of the battle or something. Excuse me. Well, let's test it. I just want to see. see. So we should, wait, what? A and C should be the only ones that we can do. But we can still do B. Wait, what? Yeah, this is why it's all fucked. Is because we can, for some reason, still do B. Why can we still do B? We could still do A, B, and C. Wait, what? And we can also do this too. What the flip? Wait, what? Okay, something's going on with our back option. I think it's our back option that's messed up. Which is fine. I mean, whatever. It's just annoying. It's just annoying. Because we just spent so long doing that. And I'm sweating. I should not be sweating on Christmas Eve. Oh well. Is what it is, gang. Is what it is. I genuinely think that because we're not popping the menu, it's like, it's messing up somehow. So I genuinely think we can try this. We can maybe do, yeah, we can maybe do, like here for instance, in the back option. Menu, stack, pop. Excuse me, guys. Menu, stack, pop. Yeah. Menu, stack, pop. And then... Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Because we're not even popping it whenever we do cancel. Or we're popping it whenever we do cancel, but we're not popping it whenever we do back. Yeah. I think that's what's really fucking us up. That might solve it, but it might not at the same time. Okay, it is popping there, which is good. Cancel does pop, which is also good. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So I think what we need to do really is just test it now. See what happens. What music is playing in my ears right now, gang? Let's turn on some Deftones. Let's do that. Oh, shit. Alright, Deftone. We got Deftone now. Not you guys, but me. I have Deftone. Because it's copyright. Alright. Party stats. Everything checks out. If we like just spam one, it doesn't mess up. But if we do, like, look, it really starts to get complicated whenever we start like losing someone. Like, I think we're about to lose one player or one character. We're about to. Yeah, B has fallen. Okay. So now if we do like attack enemy 2 and then we do like cancel, we should not be able to go back to B, but we are able to go back to B. I think something's going on with the party index. That's probably what's going on. Or like some... Oh, motherfucker, bro. This sucks. Because I thought we were done with this shit, bro. Oh, man. Whatever. Is what it is. Okay. I don't even know why it would be doing that. It doesn't do that unless... Like, B should not even... Is it B? Yeah, B should not even really be able to move, but they can still. It says B's turn. So what does that mean? That means that for some reason it's saying that it's valid. Is it for some reason like resetting whenever we do cancel? Maybe so. Hold on. We need, yeah, we're gonna actually have to, oh my god. I did not want to have to debug on Christmas Eve. I wanted to knock out one cool feature, but it looks like we're gonna have to. Wait. Leveling system? Is that what it was? Wait. What's the branch called? Excuse me, guys. New leveling, that's what it's called. Nice name, Austin. That's really smart. Git push, origin, feature, new leveling. Okay. All right, we can just do that. And I guess honestly, this branch is just gonna also be used to debug this little menu quirk thing that we're going. Cause dude, damn, bro, that actually sucks. That actually fucking sucks. But I think, I don't know, bro. I don't know. For some reason, it's resetting the valid targets. Maybe that's what it is. Is it resetting the valid targets? But I don't understand why it's still able to go through the entire index if we go back or if we cancel it all. Oh yeah? Yeah, I think that would be really... Yeah, that's a good idea. I like the way you think, IDK. I like the way you think. Okay. Do I have it in the description? I think I do, don't I? I added it. Yeah, I added it. Yeah, I remember. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, let's get cracking, I guess. So basically what's happening is whenever we... Hold on, let's keep going through it a little bit. I have Deftones just screaming in my ear right now. Deftones. Yeah, so if I just spam one, and then one of our characters die, I think it works just fine if I just keep spamming one. All right, see, look, yeah. So C has fallen. So I think if we keep doing this, A, B, C. Why the fuck is C there? Bro. What? I'm so confuzzled, bro. C should not be valid. Okay, so something's going on with can they even be alive? Let's go to, is it this? No, I don't think it's that. Let's go to combat, I think. Yeah, let's go to combat. Let's go to combat. And then see, sorry, I probably shouldn't clear my throat like right in front of the mic. Let's go return. Yeah, some shit's going on with this. What did we even write here, bro? Don't we reset valid targets every time? We do that, don't we? I believe so. Do we? Get valid targets. I thought we reset valid targets every single iteration. Or every, like, you know what I'm talking about, every loop. Okay. Yeah, we do. Okay, I'm stupid. Yeah, so we do valid targets clear. And then this is obviously adding it. Adding the homies back to the vector. Yes. Yes. But why was it working earlier? That's what I don't understand. It was working just fine earlier. And I don't know what... Wait. Hold on. Let me... Hold on, wait. We're gonna pull main. See what happens. Maybe it's good on main, which means that's one change that I made just now makes it where it's fucked up. So which is fixable, because then we can just be like, oh, what did I add, right? That's pretty fixable. One, B2, C3, D4, byte. Okay, we're gonna go through this. Do we still have? Hold on. They're not able to kill my party. Rat shadows. Damn, they still cannot. What the fuck? Wait. Bro, these enemies suck. We actually just won that battle on accident. Hold on. Shit, I just fucked it up. Okay, D has fallen. A, B, C. Okay, so this works just fine. And if we do like a back option, yeah, it still works just fine. So something that we added recently. Sorry guys, my fucking my throat is fucking me up, bro. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so this is good news. Like, obviously it's still kind of fucked up, but it is good news because that means that it's something to do with what we just added. Yeah, because now it's not even letting us do that, which is perfect. I mean, that's good. So what did we add recently? Hold on. What did we add that like totally blew it up in our faces? I genuinely don't know. I think maybe it was something to do with this this menu here. Or something like that. I don't know, like it's really, I don't know. Let me go to the repository really quick. We'll look at our most recent commit and then we'll we'll see what happened. Alright guys. Let's do some investigation. New leveling system, merge pull request. Yeah, okay. So it would have been here. You're telling me we only added 4 lines of code? Oh wait, no. Altogether we added 29 lines of code. So it's somewhere here. But where though? I don't think it would have anything to do with this. Like yeah, it's not gonna have anything to do with that. Is it this? No, that doesn't make any sense. Could be this. Create select skill menu. Yeah, it actually might be this. This right here, and the menu pop too. Because we also added a menu pop. Yeah, so let's go back to that really quick. Check out feature, new leveling, genius naming. And then we'll go to, where did we do that? Skill? I want to say it was skill. Yeah, we did that here. Wait, where did we do the pop? We did the pop here, yeah? Yeah, we did the pop here, which wasn't there originally. But now if we do this, perhaps? Perchance? Let's add all of this in an else statement. Oh, that's what I meant. Hello? Can we not do an else statement? Also, why is this here? That's okay, that's the reason it was there. Alright. So else. Maybe that'll work. Maybe that'll work. Chat, maybe that'll work. Probably not, though. We'll test it out. We'll test it out. Oh, wait, we should come up with a poll tonight. Hold on, wait. Yeah, let's come up with a poll really quick. I'm gonna write down a poll. I think we're gonna make it Christmas related. All right, new poll chat. Why is it error again? There we go. For fight. Okay. We're gonna go through, see if the shit works. Still there. Okay, D has fallen, so therefore D should not be able to fight. A, B, C. Nice. Okay, that's what's up. Nice. Okay, that's good. We'll try to do a back option really quick just to like really confuse the system. Looks like only A is alive, so. Holy shit, we just lost. That's the first time we've lost a battle. I'm not gonna lie. I just lost a battle in my own game. But that's good though. I did not see an error. We're gonna redo that really quick. Because I want to be able to see if this still works. Okay, B fell. B has fallen. Oh, motherfuck. Hold on. Damn it, bro. Oh. Fuck. Why does it say B's turn, broski? Why? Wait, why did it work last time? I'm so confused on that. What? Now A shouldn't even be able to do it. Okay, wait, what? What? Oh, you know what I think might actually be happening? Yeah, I think what might actually really be happening is it's not able to update who can move until after it's already too late, possibly. Yeah, because if I do this now, no, that work. Okay, wait, what? I'm so confused. And we lost again. I wish I could read your chat out loud, but my voice is going against me right now. What would happen if you get ignore itself? Would it take a screenshot and spontaneously explode? Probably. Probably. I would expect that. Fuck, dude. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. And see if this works. Or see if it fucks up again. Lost 29 HP. Yes, that is good. Cool. 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 D is fallen. Okay. Nice. We can't use it. That's good. Shouldn't be able to use that one either. And we can't. Okay, so why was it messing up earlier? That doesn't make any sense. I'm really confused. Look, you have lots of stuff for a text-based game. Only thing I can think about for those kind of things are the interactive stories, never a proper game. Yeah, I'm honestly kind of shocked we got as far as we have. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I never thought that it would ever get this far. I'm very proud. Very proud. But it was never meant to go this far. Is kind of what I mean. I'm not complaining, though. I'm not complaining. I've had a blast doing this. Okay, I don't know how to recreate that error, I'll be honest. But it looks like the new leveling system works. I don't know if EXP still works in the same way, but it should. So we might be at a good spot to finally polish up this thing and then call it like version 1.0. Even though we still have some, like, probably some errors some places. I'm just ready to move on at this point, bro. Like, I'm straight up just ready to move on to a new project. Like the Geometry Dash clone, bro, that sounds so cool. That sounds so fun. Only thing left is a battle pass in multiplayer. Have it compete against Rockstar and EA Games. Yeah. Dude, we're gonna put this shit on Steam and we're all gonna split the profits. Like I've told you guys. We will split the profits. Alright, guys. We will split the profits. Nice. Yeah, we've been working on this game for a minute now. And I am just about ready to put the pin down on this one. So the only thing is going to be like making the enemy arenas a little bit more like constructed, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I think the leveling system is actually kind of taken care of. For some reason, I thought I had a lot more work to do, but the leveling system seems to work just fine. It didn't really need that many changes, which is good, which is very good. I'm not complaining against that at all. We actually don't need this function anymore, so we can actually get rid of that. Excuse me. Oh, that's what I meant by leveling system. We were going to add new skills. We were going to add other skills that you can unlock whenever you unlock a certain level. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. Okay. We can do that. We can do that, I guess. It's a pretty cool idea. Pretty neato, you know? Yeah, we can do that. Why is that a virtual void? Yeah, we were going to add unlockable skills at certain levels. That's what we were going to do. Which is fine. I think that might be kind of an easy thing to do. We can maybe just add like a list of unlockable skills and add some kind of a function that says, okay, what level is the player? What do they unlock? Add this to this, I think would make the most sense. What's up, Psycho? Santa Dog is coming to the hood. What? What are you saying? Psycho, it's never a dull moment when you're in my stream. Merry Christmas, by the way. Merry Christmas, Psycho. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, so we need to add a good old motherfucking unlockable skill system, which I think isn't easy. Like, for me to sit here and say, oh, that'll be easy would be kind of wrong. But I do think that we can do that somewhat decently. We just need to... Merry Christmas to you and Snorlax. Thank you, Psycho. Thank you. Snorlax appreciates that. Snorlax won't be here much longer, guys. Snorlax will not be here much longer. I'll be honest. We're going to replace Snorlax with a new plushie eventually. And I'm going to let chat kind of decide what kind of plushie we'll do. I'll order it from Amazon or something with my Christmas money. May Chrysler if you're a car enthusiast. Or May Crisis if you're a gamer. This man. This guy. This guy. Alright. What's Snorlax? No. Yep. Yep. It's a festive Snorlax. It's a festive Snorlax. I can't keep Snorlax. No, we need Snorlax. Bro, we can't. We can't. Snorlax had his run. He had his run. He's gonna be gone until next Christmas. He'll be back next Christmas, guys. He'll be back next Christmas. Vulcan grind it is? No, Danny. No. No. We'll do OpenGL, but not Vulcan. I've heard nightmares about that thing. Wasn't Tokyo Spliff streaming earlier? Is he still streaming? How much longer is he going to be streaming? Because he's taking away my viewers. No, I'm kidding. Is he still streaming? He was streaming earlier, I saw. Oh, it looks like he's done. Nice. He does not stream all that often. Damn. Anyways. Do a poll if you should keep him here. No, bruh. Everyone's gonna say yes, and then I'm not gonna... No, he stopped? Okay. So I just don't get viewers ever. No, bro. We gotta, like... I don't know. What kind of like new plushie would you guys want to see? Because I don't want to do, like... I don't want to keep Snorlax here. Because look, Snorlax is a festive Snorlax. It's not like a normal Snorlax. If it was a normal Snorlax, then maybe so. Right? But I think, like, during certain seasons, we should have, like, a specific plushie. You know what I'm saying? That would make sense. Right, Snorlax? Snorlax agrees. Snorlax about to fall. Okay. Alright. So yeah, we can't keep Snorlax here forever, right? It's a festive Snorlax, just like the Santa hat isn't gonna stay here forever. Like, come on, guys. Normal Snorlax? We could get a normal Snorlax. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, guys. I'm gonna post a poll eventually. And we'll go from there. Get more Snorlaxes, one for each season, and rotate them. But what would next season be? New Year Snorlax? That'd be kind of funny. We need like I don't know. We could do that. Snorlax could be our mascot. Alright. So what's like the best way to do this? Maybe if we do like a map? Summer Snorlax has shades and a straw hat. Bro. Summer Snorlax is just a farmer. Basically. We could do like an Easter Snorlax. Excuse me. Level up. Yeah, so I think what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do run like the new level skill function. And basically what that's gonna do is it's gonna be a function that checks like, okay, what level is the character? Do they have a new skill that they can unlock, right? And if yes, then it'll add whatever the skill is to the motherfucking skill list, whatever we have. I don't know what it's called. Could do a map. Although I've never actually really worked with maps, I'll be honest. One Snorlax for each Fortnite season. Ban that guy. Ban that guy immediately. Yeah, I think that would work. Yeah, because it's basically just like maps are basically just using like a key value pair, right? Get a JavaScript programmer Snorlax with the sticker MacBook and matcha. Yeah, the front end dev Snorlax. Okay, so what we'll do, I think, honestly, is for each character we should store a map. And this map, yes. Basically what happens is that this map, depending on the character, or depending on the class, will be filled with like a specific thing, yeah. I like that. I like that. Or, I don't know. I've never actually really worked with maps all that much, but fuck it, we'll see how it goes. Okay. So we'll make a map like here. Right? Yeah, I think that would make sense. Map. And it will be a map of an int, which will be like, oh wait, do we need to do size t? What is level? Is level size t? Level's int. Okay, that's good. That's fine. Do int. And then we'll do a skill pointer, I think would make the most sense. Unlockable or... Oh shit. Did my stream just lag? Is my stream okay, guys? Chat, am I okay? Hello? Okay. Unlockable skills. Yeah, we'll do that. Just unlockable skills, fuck it. Very cool, very nice. We'll do that. Okay, now I'm hype. Now I'm actually hype. It'll default with nothing, I think, honestly, is fine. But in like in the constructor for like Archer, we can fill the map We can insert the map with like a key value pair. So let's make a new skill for the first time in a while. Are you sure you need for, or is unordered map better since lots of people, including me, messed that up? It might be, dude. I don't know. Is unordered map better? Or wait. Oh, wait. So maybe an unordered map would actually be the better. Because we don't really need it to be ordered, do we? Yeah, we actually might need that, huh? Yeah, I think you're right, IDK. By the way, if David Attenborough dies, it's not my fault. Who the fuck is that? Is an unordered map better for like efficiency, I assume? Yeah, it'll like impact performance and shit like that. Okay. I mean, it's fine, I guess. I mean, I guess we could just do an unordered map, right? That might be sufficient enough, honestly. Excuse me. I wish I could play music on Guys, should I switch over to Twitch? Would you guys watch me if I streamed on Twitch? Cause dude, I want to listen to music, bro. I want to listen to fucking music, bro. I hate having to put this like bullshit. I mean, this house music is good, but it's like, I don't know, bro. I want to play my music. And I've actually never streamed on Twitch, or I have, but it's been a while. So, and I can just like upload my VODs on here. What do you guys think? We'll do unordered map now. So I guess now we could do. Yeah? Does that work? Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. Unordered map. Okay. Do a poll. Wait, I don't have a Twitch account, so I can't chat. It needs phone number, and I'm not giving that away. Fair enough, fair enough. What do I watch as guest? I don't know, like, the, I don't know, like, the comparisons, like, for the category, you know what I'm saying? Like, do a poll. You think I should do a poll? Fuck it, let's do a poll. Because the one I had is kind of stupid. I would though. Twitch never. What do you say? Never sends me notice for some reason. I get fucking notifications throughout the entire day from Twitch, bro. Low key kind of makes me mad. But like the thing is that I think the category on Twitch is much like less popular. Like the category that I would stream under, like programming, like game development, programming, whatever it's called. Right? Is that what it's called? Game development? Yeah, software and game development. The category I feel like is really small. Yeah, it's like there's barely fucking anyone there. Like, and I love that I can do yeah, I think you're right. It would be nice to try like maybe just once, you know. For sure. But yeah, like the category just seems to be a lot smaller on Twitch, which sucks, penis. But like if I ever like started like streaming games, I'd want to do that. But then again, I feel like me streaming games, I don't know if that's really good. I don't know. Would you guys watch me play games? I'm not like, bro, I suck at games, honestly. I don't even know anyone who would ever do that. What the fuck happened here? Is there a reason this is fucking up? What? Why is that? What? Okay, I guess it's fine. Wait, it's still messing up. Why is this messing up? What the fuck? Gang, are you good? Okay, it goes away. But then, like, it comes back? Yeah, like, what? What is going on there? I don't know. Okay. Let's go to Archer. And yeah, so we need to create, like, a new skill, just like as a little test. Skill list, we'll make a new skill. Do, like, damage, HP, or something like that. Damage, HP. We'll do, like, arrow shot. Some shit like that. Right. We'll do arrow shot. Yeah. Okay, what are the things we need to do for that? Is magic, the damage, the points. Okay, why did I make this? Name is magic. EMG points. Wait, is damage? Wait, is that what it is? It's is damage. Yeah, okay. So we need to do like is damage. Like, does it damage, basically, is what I'm trying to get at. Points. And then cost, I think it is. And then target type. Just as a little reference. So, is magic. It's not magic. Is damage. True. The amount of points, we'll do 25, something like that. And then as far as cost goes, we'll do 15. And then target type. 1 enemy. We'll do that. Just as a little simple test, okay? Little simple test. Very cool. So now if we go to Archer, we can go here. Excuse me. Unlockable skills. Do insert. We'll do level 2. Can we do that? Level 2, and then we could do. Do we automatically include skill lists or no? Wait, how is it that we have to do this? I might be doing this wrong, I'll be honest. We do skills and place back. Well, that's that though. That's not even. We do include skill list though. So we should be able to, yeah, we should be able to reference that. Basic attack. Do arrow shot. Can we reference that or no? No, we cannot. Do we need to include skill list? Oh wait, I think the. Well, this is valid, but wait, what? Oh, because it's yeah, okay, it's kind of like different. So I think we have to do this. Do that, I think. And it should recognize that now. Yeah? No? Did we name it arrow shot? What did we name it? Frightened, you can be frightened. No, arrow shot. Huh? No, I'm actually confused. Can we reference skills? It doesn't even recognize it there. Wait, what? So it recognizes basic attack, but it doesn't recognize... What? Did I fuck up? I mean, I obviously fucked up somewhere. HP arrow shot. This should create it. Arrow shot. So why is it not able to reference it? I don't know, man. I don't know. Tea break. Right. What? Why is it? Doesn't make any sense. 93 degrees Fahrenheit here. I know you didn't ask, but on Christmas. Yeah, it's 71 degrees Fahrenheit here. On Christmas, which is crazy. But hey, man, that's Texas. 93 degrees Fahrenheit? Jeez, bro. The fuck are you at? The desert, bro? Like, what the hell? Australia? I think. Did you say Australia that one time, I think? I don't know. I have a lot of people from Australia for some reason. Which is cool. I wish I was Australian. I wish I was cool like that. The best accent known to mankind. Why can it not identify arrow shot? We literally made... Do I need to rename it something else? Like, is arrow shot like not a valid name that we can name it or some shit? Yes, yeah. It's crazy for being winter there. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, because Australia isn't even during winter. Yeah, it's winter here in North America, but in Texas, it's you could walk outside and it probably feels like summer, low key. Well, actually no, summer in Texas is like 100 degrees, so consistently. I don't know how I live here, bro. Do we need to rename that shit? Like, genuinely. Why is it not able to reference it? Like, I don't understand this. We made it. Bada bing, bada boom. Do I need to, like... This probably won't fix it, I'll be honest, but I'm gonna try it. But it more than likely will not fix it. Shut up. Still not there. I know you guys can't see it. Hold on. There we go. We also have humid heat, at least in the city, like Texas, right? Oh yeah, Texas, yeah, really humid. Really humid in Texas. That's why, like I would rather live in Arizona. Arizona's like technically hotter, but it's like a dry heat. It's not like a humid heat. Humidity, it's the humidity that gets you. You guys ever heard that? It's a common American dad kind of slang. Why is this not working, bro? I mean, are we able to reference it here? Wait, do I need to... Oh, but it can reference that, though. And it knows what I'm talking about. There has to be something going on with, like, how it's constructed or some shit, bro. It's just a damage HP skill. Arrow shot, false, true, 25, 15, target type 1 enemy. There are no errors. Yet, the Archer class cannot identify this. Ugh, I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat. I don't know what to do, chat. I'm at a loss. I'm at a loss. Do I need to, like, what's it called? Forward, declaration? Do I need to do that? Or some shit? Like, bro. I'm just so confused, bro. I don't understand why this is not working, bro. I'm in distress. I'm in distress, chat. I mean, I have no idea, bro. Oh, yes. Hold on, wait. Yeah, we do need to do a forward declaration. That'll fix it right up. Right? Yes, okay, cool. Nice, that's good. That's very good. Nice. Now, clearly we need to do something different though. Excuse me. Wait, we need to do, yeah, we need to do this. Wait, insert, don't we have insert already? Didn't we already insert some shit? Wait, is that not a method for unordered maps? Yeah, no it is. So why are we not able to insert it? Oh shit, I just clicked on an ad. Virus. I just got a virus. 100%. So, no instance of overload function. Should be an int and a pointer to the arrow shot, right? Or I think it would be like a reference to arrow shot, right? So why is that not valid? Do we need to do, I mean, it's probably stupid, but does it need to be like, oh shit, let me get rid of that. If we go here, does it need to be changed? Instead of a skill pointer, does it need to be a skill reference? Maybe. Maybe. No. No. Yeah, no. Just no. Wait, so... I mean, I think a skill pointer makes... Okay, it's also wrong. Yeah, a skill pointer makes the most sense. I don't know why that wouldn't make any sense at all. Skills, but then it's added... It's in place doing this syntax, so I would figure it's the same shit with this, huh? I would assume... Let me try to, like, if I do this... Unlockable skills... I did, like, equals... this, and then I did, like... 2... Then I did, like, arrow shot... Right? Nope, just doesn't work. Oh... I'm going to break my monitor, I swear. Expected an expression. Isn't arrow shot like technically already a skill? Well, no, probably not. I don't understand this. This should be valid. But it isn't. Sir, to the int, and then excuse me, arrow shot. Right, no. We do a pointer, still doesn't work. We do this by itself, still doesn't work. What if we did this? Nope. Pointer, still doesn't work. This, I thought this worked. Why does this not work? Argument types are int and a skill pointer. Const int and a skill pointer. It can't be the int. There's just no way it's the int. Right? What if we did... This might be stupid. Just as a little like test, just for right now, okay guys? Just hear me out. 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 Okay, don't hear me out, actually. Why can we not... Wait, can we not do this? It said we couldn't do this. We can't do like a reference to a skill. And I mean, it wouldn't even make any sense either, because I feel like it's... Oh, it's saying there's an error with this one too, huh? Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Wait, so do I need to do this instead? This might be stupid. Nope. Do we like really need to... I might have to call in the big guns, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Might have to call in the big guns. I don't know what the fucking problem is here. This should work. This 100% should work. There's no way it's an int. Insert arrow shot. Is it because insert is like... Shit. No, insert works, obviously. It's like a, I don't know. ChatGPT, what am I doing wrong? Why am I getting an error, ChatGPT, or Codex, whatever your name is? What I can't change. Won't you fly high, free bird, yeah. I don't know why this is not working, bro. Because it should be an int, and then a skill pointer, right? Maybe I'm not using it right. Right? I don't really understand. What if there was an AI that spoke like Linus Torvalds? I'm sure they made one. I'm sure they made like a, you know how they do like those character AIs? You know what I'm talking about? I'm sure they made one. I'm sure they did. 100% they had to. They 100% did. We can talk to Linus, guys. We can talk to Linus. Alright, while this is cooking up, I gotta use the restroom. Is it done yet? Did it give us an answer? We can talk to Terry too, maybe not in stream. Yeah, have a good rest. Shut up, bro. Do you call it restroom or bathroom? People who call it bathroom are weird. It says Archer only includes skills.h, which forwards declares damage HP, but doesn't show that it derives from skill. When you call, the compiler needs to convert that damage HP pointer to skill pointer. Include the actual definition file. Oh, yes. We're not... Yeah, no. Yeah, okay. I understand now. We need to also include what a damage HP skill is in the first place. So we'll do skills / damage HP, and I think that actually fixes it. Yes! Let's fucking go. Thank you. Thank God for AI. Bathroom / toilet. You call it toilet room? The washroom. People who call it the washroom are weird. I need to use the washroom. Like, okay. Get off your fucking high horse, bro. So I think what we can do is, we can do like something like this, I think. We can include arrow shot. I just... Boom. And then, yeah, okay, perfect. Okay. So we'll do that. We'll just keep it like that for right now. For an archer. Arrow shot makes sense. What are some other good skills that we can do for like the other classes? Like mage. Mage should have like a fireball. Let's do that. Sometimes we just say, I need to go to the toilet. I mean, yeah, I guess. Sometimes people will just say like, oh, I need to pee, or something like that. I don't know if that's like an American thing or not, but... oh, we need to make a new, yeah, we need to make a new skill thing. Whatever the fuck it's called. Actually, let's not even do that. Fuck it. Let's just test this just to make sure it actually works. So, whenever we do... Yeah, we need to add some kind of function that checks, like, okay, is there a... Yeah, it like checks... Yeah, okay. I think I understand what I want to do. I'm not even going to try to describe it because I suck at that. It'll be like... void check new skill, right? So it's just going to be like it's going to like check if there's a new skill, and if there is a new skill, it will add that new skill to the skill list. You know, it's like the vector of skills, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So void character check new skill. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to be like if... I don't know. Yes. No. Do we need to like check... well, I mean, we need to reference... Hold on. I'm trying to think. Lockable skills... At whatever iteration we're at currently, it'll be like skills dot level. Yeah? No, sorry, not skills, stats dot level. It'll check for that. Is not null? I mean, I don't know. Well, I think this would like just check if it exists, right? Am I wrong about that? I'm pretty sure like this like line here would just be like, it would check if it like exists in the first place. Some shit like that, I think. I don't know. Some guy made a YouTube video saying I'm live on Twitch right now, and he got terminated from YouTube for 2 years. Jesus, bro. Hey, YouTube, low-key, YouTube's streaming, like their live streaming has low-key been kind of nice though. If only we could play like music, like not copyrighted music. I mean, you can, but it's like, I like saving the VOD afterward. I need to like download the thing that like allows you to separate it from the audio. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like, yeah, I need to look into that. Cause low-key, I don't want to leave YouTube. I actually like, I would rather stay on YouTube, but I don't know. Yeah, so I think this will just like check if it exists. So what we can do is we can add skills and place. Fucking hell, I cannot. My hair is in my eyes, dude. Unlockable skills and stats.level, which would return, I believe, the actual skill itself. YouTube Fire, what's up? Ooch, is that how you say it? Ooch, how you doing tonight? YouTube is fire. YouTube is fire. Oh, so you can play cover music during the stream, but the VOD will have normie music? Yeah, like I would rather set it up like that. So that way I can play like the actual music that I want to play. You know what I mean? Like right now, I'm listening to Radiohead in my ears. And I was listening to Deftones earlier, and I would love to have it where like I can like rock out with you guys. Or hell, rap music too. I don't know. Some shit like that. Christmas music. That's a better idea then? Yeah, I think so too, honestly. And there's a way to do that, because there's also a way to do that on Twitch, but I'm not sure. Thank you for the sub, programmer. Appreciate you. Welcome to the... Bro, we should name our community something. Radiohead Fire? Absolutely. Should I play some Radiohead really quick, guys? Hold on. Let's play some Radiohead. Let's play some fucking Radiohead. Just for a little bit. This one little segment of the stream will get copyrighted, but it's okay. It's all good, though. Or should I just, like, turn down my... Disconnect that really quick. Hold on. I don't know how loud it's gonna be. Enough Radiohead. I'm sorry. I would like to have the majority of my streams able to use VODs. I think it's 4K unless they changed it. Yeah, like 4K. Well, it's 3K if I want to like have members, and then it's like 4K. Yeah. I mean, you're right. It's like 4K if I want like money from ads and stuff like that. Yeah. So I mean, you're right. Yeah, for monetization. Yeah. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're gonna hit 1K subs in no time. Trust me. All right. So I don't know if this will work. It's a very simple check, but I think we will call it whenever we do can level. So we'll do check new skill. Yeah, check new skill. Because we iterate that first. Yeah, I think that returns it. I got my vape trickle charging with the crack wire right now. What the fuck? Running a sub and viewer bot on stream. Yeah. We'll definitely do that. Christmas spirit going strong. Hell yeah. That's what we do during Christmas. That's what we do. We got the Arizona tea and the blueberry watermelon vape. Hell yes. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. All right. Let's test this out. See if this actually works. Probably not, if I had to fucking guess. If I just had to guess, just really quick, probably not. We'll worry about this later. Surprised it's not watermelon and chicken. What? Actually, never mind. Let's just move on, guys. Undefined reference. Oh shit, we're getting a bunch of bullshit. Solbyte wood. What do you mean, bro? Hold on, guys. I gotta clean this up really quick. What? You guys think I would get a watermelon and chicken vape? That sounds nasty, bro. Like what? Imagine a chicken flavored vape. ugh. Like, ugh. Gross. Wait, why is menu... What? Why did we do that? Okay, whatever, it's fine. So I went to a gas station the other day and they were out, so I got the cucumber green tea and that shit was bad, bro. Real bad. Do not get that shit. I don't get any Arizona tea besides this one. If they're out of this flavor, I just don't get Arizona tea. I just don't. I'll get a Red Bull instead. I'm actually rocking both a Red Bull and an Arizona tea tonight. Probably not healthy, but it is what it is. But yeah, this is the most goated flavor in the fucking world. Ginseng and honey. I've been drinking this since I got to college because of how cheap it is. Dude, luxury. It's kind of an acquired taste. I didn't like it at first, but dude, it hits. All right, guys, it fucking hits. Especially when you're broke, dude. That's it for next time. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, definitely, bro. I don't touch... I mean, the sweet tea one's kind of good. Like, the sweet tea one's kind of good. But still, I don't get anything else besides this immaculate beverage. They should sponsor me, like, on God. They should really sponsor me. Me to my 8 viewers. I'm trying to put you guys on game. And then as far as Red Bull, I kind of just fuck with the normal stuff, but Merry Christmas to you and Snorlax. Thank you, Nutshell. Good to see you. Merry Christmas to you as well. Are we still getting errors? We're not. Let's go. All right, there's no way this fucking works. A, we're going to test them as archers. B, archer. C, archer. D, archer. Fights, and we're going to go through an entire fight and hopefully win. This is how I test my game, by the way, guys. If you're new here, this is how I test my game. I just spam 1 and go through an entire fight sequence. Are we still having the issue with... No, okay, we're not. That's good. Wait, are we? No, okay, we're not. That's good. Thank God. This shit was making me mad earlier, bro. I have no idea how that was happening. Okay, nice. Level 2, nice. Yes. Okay, fuck yes, dude. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I just found out they sell Arizona iced tea here. Yeah, it's pretty international, isn't it? Yeah, so now we can use arrow shot on the enemies. Yes, dude. Yes. Yes. Wait, but why? Oh, because it's status dead? Wait, what? Oh, because it's still status dead, isn't it? Wait, but why can we do C, but we can't do fuck... Wait, what? I'm confused. That makes 0 sense. The stamina is going down. Hold on, let's just test the stamina. Dude, this whole thing is so fucked. Okay, now I don't think we'll be able to, right? Can we? We might be able to. Hold on. Not enough stamina. Perfect. That's what we want. That's what we want. Sorry if I just peeked the microphone, but hell yeah. Look, is in Nevada. Nevada. Have you guys ever been in Nevada, bro? That shit is a wasteland. Okay, why is it not... Why is it... So it's not printing A, but it is printing C. But both should still be status dead because we haven't reset that yet. But why can we both still... I don't know what we did, but we cooked this game. Okay, but this works. This works. Let's go, chat. It's been a good Christmas so far. Let's commit our changes before I fuck anything else up. Added test skill arrow shot. Okay. Somewhere in Nevada. Bro. Nevada is so trash. Las Vegas is so trash. Maybe it's because I went there when I was 16 and I was with family. Maybe if I went there like as an adult, like with friends, it'd probably be a little bit more fun. But because I went there when I was like 16, like a kid with my family, like literally my grandparents. I went with my grandparents and my dad when I was like 16. My like super Christian grandparents. Like, bro. It was... Bro. Las Vegas is not the place to be. Play some Deftones really quick. Get in the fucking mood. Okay. So we're still having that error. I don't really know why, but let's fix one error really quick, where it's not resetting the status whenever we heal. Yeah, so we need to. I think we do that in character. Yeah. Skills, check new skills, can level up, full heal. We do a full heal, don't we? Do we call that? Wait, do we call that? Where do we call that? In battle? Possibly? Let's go to combat. I have so many fucking files, dude. Process turn. Blah, blah, blah. In battle. We do full heal here, I think, right? No. Hold on. We don't even use full heal. What the fuck? Do we do like a reset function? We do can level, EXP drop, is alive, blah blah blah. Do we do that in info? No, we don't do that in info either. Do we do it in the menu manager? I don't know. Create skill menu, target. Let's go back to the target menu. In battle, first index, menu stack, pop, pop, pop. Wait, so how are we, what? Hold on. We're using it in character, and we're also using it in party. So it's probably there, that's what we're doing. We're doing heal party. Where are we doing heal party at? We're probably calling that in combat, yeah? Okay, no. Where are we doing that at? No, we're just doing it in... What? So how is it able to... What? I don't understand. How is it able to level up if... Does it do that whenever we... Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Whenever we call that function... That's probably what it is, actually. So whenever we level up, whenever we do the can level... Because... Every single battle, they always level up no matter what, because the EXP is so much right now to test, or, you know, for testing. Yeah, we do level up, and I think level up, it does this, and it does set HP stat, which I think set HP stat, in turn, sets the max HP to this, and the actual HP to that. Yeah, so it always does reset. But typically, it wouldn't if they don't level up. So we need to add some kind of some whatever the fuck kind of thing to actually do that properly, because right now we're just totally relying on the characters leveling up after every single battle, which like typically wouldn't happen all the time, you know. So let's do and I think what we can do also is we can do heal party. Let's just do heal party. Let's just use that. I don't really care about anything else. So we go to party. Where's party? Where to party at? Here we go. We'll do party. Set status. Yeah? No? We can't. There's not a thing? Do we not have set status? Set is alive? Yeah, we have set is alive. True. We'll just do it the most like simple way possible without doing anything too crazy. We'll do that. So that should reset the status. But why is it not Okay, wait. No, let's try this again. Because I have no idea why that wasn't working. But yeah. What other, oh shit. Is my stream lagging? Hello? What other plushie would you guys want to see? Other than Snorlax, because Snorlax will be leaving us very soon. Homie's got to go back to the North Pole. Sorry, that was a very stupid joke. Okay, we'll fight. Once again, just go through this entire thing. Okay, D and B has fallen. A? Fuck, dude, that's not... B and D should both not be able to move, but B can move. Why can B always move? B is always able to move, no matter what. Why is that always... What? Is it something we did with the mage thing specifically? I'm so confused, bro. So fucking confused. Yeah, it's like B is always just able to move, no matter what. Why though? Okay, we lost. What the fuck? Oh wait. According to all known laws of aviation, there's no way a bee should be able to fly, brother. I know that movie so well. The Bee Movie? Come on now. Wait. 1 and C should not be able to move. 1 can still move. C can still move. What the fuck is going on? Why does it do that? I'm so confused, bro. Like, genuinely, it's... Makes no sense. Okay. Status is still dead. Nice. So it did not reset. Oh gosh. I don't know what this error is all about, bro. Are there any restaurants open on Christmas Eve? I'm hungry. The Hoe House is open. What? The Hoe House is open? What the fuck are you talking about? Excuse me, guys. Still sick. Alright. So clearly that error still exists, and I don't know why. I have no idea why. What? Like, why does that even happen? I don't know. That seems like something we could debug when it's not Christmas. Same. Same. How many subs are we at, guys? Ooh, 639. We almost at 640. Oh, wait. Can I do a type racer really quick? Fuck. Fuck. What the fuck is this? Holy shit, I'm insane. I'm actually so fucking insane, bro. I'm the shit. Like, I'm actually the GOAT. I'm actually the fucking GOAT. Like, it's confirmed. Do you see that shit? Oh my god, I'm insane. We need that guy 200. Yeah, for real. There's no way, homie actually could do fucking 250 words per minute. There's no way. No way in hell. You're so fast, they want you to take a cheating test. On God, bro. Wait, did they actually? Typing challenge? Congrats, you just typed. We ask everyone. Oh shit, yeah, look at that. If you pass this test, you will not be asked to take it again unless you're speed. Bro, that's actually kind of crazy. See, look, I'm actually so goated, they have to test me. This is like when athletes have to get drug tested after playing really well. Dude. What's like the test? What do I have to do? What? Oh, it already started. Fuck. Whoa, can I even say that on stream? Can I even type that on stream? I lost track where I was. I'm out of time. Cool, thanks. 43 words per minute. Whatever, dude. I hit 102, bro. I'm actually insane. I'm actually so goated. Can I try that one more time? Midwesterner? I don't know if I've ever typed that. These are like words I've never typed before. Holy shit, I'm actually selling. I'm actually selling. Fuck, I sold. Whatever. It's fine. Back to programming. Cheater, you're a cheater confirmed. Shut up, bro. Not a cheater, guys. Okay. Just a little quick break there. I had to take a break. Ah. Is typing bot Bork? Bork? What? Okay. Move this. It's blocking the light. What the fuck is playing right now? Tripod broke. Yeah, you're gonna need to fix your grammar, gang. Excuse me. Okay. So it's not even. Oh, because we're not even calling this somewhere, are we? We're not. Yeah. I'm actually stupid. Hold on, wait. This is ending the battle, isn't it? We do end battle, get first party index. Current battle. Heal party? Is that it? Wait, what is it? Wait, it's a party function, isn't it? Yeah, so actually we need to do game data. Wait. In battle. Wait, current battle. We need to get the winner of the battle and heal them specifically, right? I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, no matter what. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really matter. We'll do this, and then we could do player party. And then we can do heal party, the party. And that'll also reset the status. I wonder if that'll fix it. Probably not. Let's just be honest, guys. Probably not. The world today is merry. Yes, it is. The Wordle. Oh, Wordle. Dude, you gotta get better at typing, bro. It's like 3 fucking typos back to back, bro. Oh my gosh, we lost. What's actually crazy is we're actually able to lose. Wait, so B should not be able to move, but B can still move. What the I have no idea how that even works, bro. Okay, yeah, so it does reset the status, which is really good. So they were able to properly level up, which is good. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, and then an arrow shot, yeah. I gotta say, bro, this game has come a long way. This game has come a long way. From the first iteration of this thing to right now, this game has come a very long way. Yeah, that's good. Cool. Okay, we still have that incredibly annoying bug. Maybe typing isn't the best strategy. Yeah, probably not. Probably not, Psycho. Probably not. Let's do a new poll. All right, new poll activated. New poll activated. Geometry Dash, Clone, and Vulcan next project. I dare you. No. Vulcan, bro, you cannot. No, dude. No. Maybe OpenGL. OpenGL was my plan, but Vulcan, bro, dude, I'm not gonna want to be alive anymore. All right, bro. Like if I went down that route, dude, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm actually cooked. I don't want that. I don't want to put that on myself, bro. I just don't. Like, bro. But in like a Geometry Dash open GL would be kind of cool, I guess. Would be pretty cool. Yeah, so I don't know why it's always able to... Hold on. How do we get the valid amount of people that we should use? Like, how are we checking that right now? Like, whenever we do create skill menu, we are going through the player party, the party index, get skill list size. But are we doing any checks to like make sure that we can even do that? Like that we can even use this specific person? Where are we even doing those checks at? You know what I mean? It doesn't make any sense. I feel like we did a check somewhere. Didn't we? It's like a, where are we doing that at? This just checks if the character can use the skill. It's totally unrelated. We need to do a... Well, we just need to fucking check where that even is. Looping over skill list size and adding each skill as a command in the skill menu options vector. Skill menu options, temporary variable. Right. Well, the way that we do it right now, I think actually is using these, right? We do the party index. Wait, how does that check it though? We do a back, we do a whatever the fuck. First party. Wait, what? Oh, if this is false. Turn I. Very, very confused on that. This is frying my brain. I'll be honest. Next party member, previous party member. Maybe it's due to this. I don't know. I really don't know. We could always ask AI, but that's boring. That's the easy way. I don't want to take the easy way. I want to do this legitimately. Make an impossible game clone in Coco 2D and call it Geometry Dash? What? Call it Geometry Dash? Yeah, just get copyrighted strike. Yeah, for sure. I don't know, let's see if there's any like insight that Codex could actually give us. Why am I having issues with hold on, wait. When battling, sometimes when a character dies, they're still able to select a skill and target, but only sometimes. Why? I just want to see if it can spot it. If it can spot it, if it can see where it is, then we can fix it. But I spent hours, fucking hours doing this shit, bro. I spent hours doing this, and it worked pretty damn good for a while, and now it just broke. I don't know how or why, but it just broke. Just broke. How we doing this Christmas, chat? How we doing this Christmas while Codex is doing its thing? An AI video where some guy met Bill Clinton, Steve Jobs, and Barack Obama. Nah, bro, that was from the Epstein files. That wasn't no AI. You guys see that shit? It's like all redacted. It's like, bro. It's kind of crazy. I've seen some crazy AI videos, bro. Dude, I'm getting scammed when I'm older. 100%. I'm getting fucking scammed. What a time we live in. Apparently you can unredact it in Word. Oh, I saw that. Yeah. I saw like a clip of someone doing that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I do like that. That's good. That's good. We want to know the truth. Truth. But the images though, the images are also redacted though. You can't like unredact images. You know what I mean? Can't really do that, can we? Let's go back to the whiteboard. Bro, this shit looks horrendous. This is crazy. This is such an insane whiteboard. Like, bro. This actually looks insane. Can you guys even read this? Like, can you even, like, make out what this means? Did you see the CIA doc that just says waterboarding and then the whole page is redacted? Dead ass. That's fucking hilarious, bro. Bro. Yeah, can you guys even read this fucking chicken scratch, bro? Shit is insane. I'm having trouble trying to sleep. Wait, what's this thing say? For navigation is skipping over deaths incorrectly. A menu manager, next party member around lines 75 through 95. Let's see. Okay. I'm counting sheep, but running out. Okay, that's just not where it's at, but whatever. When the next slot is dead, the loop still returns true. How? This loop still returns true? Wait, how though? Wait, valid party index. Wait, is it because we iterate first and then we return it? Normal skills is the hardest part to make out. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can't even like tell that says normal skills. I don't know, like honestly, this right here, how can you even make out what that means, bro? This is insane. This is also insane. This is also very insane. Like what, like go ahead and tell me what the fuck this says right here. Tell me what this says. Like what? Who taught me how to write when I was in elementary school, bro? They did not do a good job. I mean, it's also with mouse, so it's like, but still, even my own handwriting is terrible enough, so. Excuse me. Do we need to increment that afterward? Yeah, maybe so, actually. Wait, hold on. Boolean valid party index set to false automatically. We are doing a for loop, current party index, game data party index. We're setting that equal to game data party index. For as long as valid, it is not a valid party index, we go current party index. Index true. Wait, so even if it's false, it still does this? Wait, yeah, no, wait, I'm actually, wait, no. If this is false, wait, is it because we use continue? Can we not do that? Turn true. I don't want to copy whatever the AI get. I can't make it out. It says resource display. That's what it says. Shocker, right? Bet you wouldn't have guessed that. All right, but hold on. So returns true, but only does if your party is alive, dead, alive. Selecting the index for 0 sets party index to 1. The dead member, so you still get a skill/target menu for someone who has fallen. A similar issue exists in previous party members. So I guess it's just the way that I'm iterating over that. The fix would be to iterate forward/backward until you find an alive member and assign the index directly instead of just... Okay. So we just assign the index. Okay, no, wait. I kind of see what it's talking about. It's saying like, if that is true, then we do this. Otherwise, we do... Oh yeah, okay. I mean, I guess we could do that, yeah. Game data party index would equal I. That might be the way to go about it, actually. Oh, also, I think I forgot to do this. Oopsies. Wait, party size. I don't even know if this is actually, like, if this would actually even work. I mean, we can try it out. I see what it's doing, but it's just like, I had a whole different idea in mind. I don't even know. And this is saying to use I instead, which, I mean, we can do that, but... Oh, wait, yeah, because we're using I to now set the... Yeah, okay. Right. Excuse me. And now we could just do a quick check. Yeah, this is actually a little bit better, too. Isn't it? We could just do, like, a check. Game data... Well, the thing is, though, like, what if it's not alive, right? Or, like, what if it's at the end of the party? Well, no, that's what this is for. Okay, yeah, okay. No, I'm stupid. Your mouse needs a higher DPI. Wait, how do I do it again? Oh, yeah, there we go. Like that. I forget how to do it. Yeah. Do it like this. Dude, there's no fucking way I could ever do shit with this, bro. Usually I have it like this, I think. Or no, I think it was at a lower one earlier. I don't know. It's at a higher DPI now. Alright. Yeah, so now it would be game data party index. And we would just check... No, sorry, wait. We would do... What was it again? Party index... Yeah. No, sorry. Game data... player party, get us alive. Yeah, okay. Well, we need to do I, don't we? So if that is true, then we're just simply going to do game data party index equals I and then return true, yeah? But otherwise, it's just going to return false. So reason it's not able to be accessed. Do we have to do this? Yeah, okay. Mine's set at 400. That's like the max, isn't it? Okay, you motherfucker. Because my DPI is so high now, I accidentally just exit out of VS Code. Brother. Thank God it saves automatically. No, I do not want Copilot, thank you. Not funny. Okay. We're back. All right. Yeah, so maybe now this works. The only thing now would be like, we would, I guess, have to copy the same thing for this, but it would have to iterate backwards. Correct? I think. Like, it'd have to do like I minus I, right? I think, right? Mr. GPT, am I correct in saying that, or what? Yeah. I think so. Let's try it out. Chat. I'm at high DPI when you draw words. Oh, I got you. Does that make it easier? Hold on, wait, let's try it. Alright, is this the max version? No, okay. Alright, this is the max, I think. Bro. Hello. Write my name. Alright, dude. I cannot stand that. Jeez. It's decent, but it still looks like garbage. Alright, let's try it out. Motherfucker. Alright. Boom. We'll do A. We'll do 3. B. 3. C. 3, D3. And now we're just gonna do 1. Do I have my number? Okay, cool. Wait, shit. I guess I could just do this, huh? Yeah, I could just do this. That's better. Can we get 5 big booms from Snorlax? Boom! 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 There we go. Oh wait, I'm not even testing it. Hold on, wait. I mean, is it working? A has fallen. Okay, that is correct. And if we do 2, yeah, so only A should be the one that we don't have. Yeah, so that is actually still working. That's good. That's good. Seems to work. But now we need to make sure that the back thing still works, yeah? Nope, seems to not work. Yeah, okay. So something about back is not working, which is fine, but I think we could just, we're not decrementing. Decrementing? Did I say decrementing? Dude, what the fuck? Yeah, we're not decrementing. Hold on. Wait, so how do we fix that? I'm actually kind of confused. I typically don't use AI for this project, but dude, I'm so ready to be done with this project at this point. And it's like, I understand what the fuck's going on, but it's like, I don't know. Plus, I can't stream for too much longer either. I need to go to bed soon, so. What you want to talk about, chat? What you want to talk about while Codex is doing its thing? What have you guys gotten for Christmas so far? I'm curious. Who are my top fans? Hold on, wait. Psycho, you're only number 3. Wow, I'm kind of disappointed, low-key. IDK is number 1. Yeah, that's good. IDK is always a true one. OG. Sometimes, like, before streams, like, I'll be, like, at work or some shit, and, like, I'll check, like, the chat before I, like, get on stream later that day, and I'll see, like, IDK says, like, live in 6 hours or some shit. It's always funny. Okay. What did it say? It said, do the... Wait, what? Oh, so that actually wouldn't work. Wait, what? Why would we have to do it entirely different? If party index is 0. Wait, what? Oh yeah, so we check if party index is 0, we would return false. Right. That does make sense. That does make sense. That does make sense because there would be no one to go back to. And then we would do this, which I guess we wouldn't have to do +1, wouldn't we? Do that for as long as I is above 0. Interesting. Interesting. You cannot change. That's dedication. I forgot what I said. I don't know what I said. I forgot. Interesting. We're basically just copying AI at this point. Their solution. But honestly, bro, fuck it. I spent so long doing this shit. So now we would check if the party previous is get alive. Game data party previous is get a live, in which case we would do game data party index would equal previous, and then when we return true. Okay, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That does make sense. That does indeed make sense. Nice. Vibe coder alert? On God, bro. On God. Dude, I needed some kind of solution. Because I did not want to have to deal with that, bro. I think that works, though. I mean, I understand what it's doing, like what it's saying. So it's not like I'm just like copying, you know? Let's try this. Go through really quick. Now let's go back. Nice. 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 Okay. All of that seems to work. Live vibe coding, Christmas stream, vibe coding at text feeds. In the bottom right, it says go live. That means you're not live. That's, what's it called? That's that one extension for web development. Oh, shit. Oh, we lost. Nice. Hold on, wait. Wait, what? That's right. So the back option does work. We need to make sure that the next option does work. And we're going to test that by letting one of our characters die. Has any of our characters died yet? No. We gotta be close though, right? Come on, someone die. Well, we didn't get to fucking test it. Nice. But I do think that it does work. Okay, guys? I think it works. So hell yeah. We're gonna commit the changes. Fixed, next party member error. Nice. Nice. Whew. Shit. We've really gotten some good work done. Alright, chat, but that might actually be it for me. Chat. I ain't gonna lie. What do you guys think? Should I keep going or should I stop? I'll let you guys decide. You guys are gonna be like, nope, go away. The thing is, I think the leveling system is, well, we still need to perfect the leveling system, I guess. Actually, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and actually like list out what we need to do, like in terms of what we want to do. So warrior, archer, mage, and healer. So we already have at level 2, homie learns arrow shot. Right? That's a good idea. Hold on, wait. Actually, let's do, to arrow shot. Let's do that. Can I move this? Or no? Can I not move this? Nice. Yeah, homie learns arrow shot at level 2. Pretty decent skill. You should make a virus that redirects every URL to your stream. Yes, I love that idea. Genuinely love that idea. What are some other good skills? Come on, guys. I need some some ideas. All right. Need some ideas. I know that I want to do like level 2, like let's just do like the number. Fireball, something like that. Yeah, something like fireball. Fireball Jutsu. Should have made a Naruto clone. And I say at level 1, we should allow the healer to automatically get like a healing thing. That would actually make sense. Yeah, that would make sense. So we'll do like heal, like a basic heal. Shit. You know what I mean? Basic heal. And then for, let's do like a buff attack. That'd be kind of sick. Mage can do a spell that causes enemies to have a chance to miss on attack. I do like that. But the thing is, we don't have an accuracy stat. We should have probably made an accuracy stat. You know what I mean? Buff attack. I do like this. As far as mage goes, let's do like hold on, wait. Do this. As far as warrior goes, can enemies dodge? Like, no. No, they cannot. And actually, we're not even gonna have like, the enemies will eventually be just a party of like, you know, characters like this, but it'll be like randomized, I think, is what I want to do. So we will eventually do that, but right now I want to like have a good like leveling system in place, or like, you know, like a good like skill progression kind of thing. I don't know what to do for warrior though. Like, should we just do like strong attack? That's like mega basic, but like strong attack, something like that. Yeah, so we have basic heal, buff attack for healer. Arrow shot. Fireball for the mage. We could do like a debuff for the mage as well. Cleave? Cleave? What the fuck is cleave? I hear cleave, I think of cleavage. Sorry. What does cleave mean? What is that? Let's do like a, we could do like a debuff kind of thing for the mage as well. We could do like, I don't know, that chooses other enemies to attack on random. Oh, interesting. Is my stream lagging? What the fuck? Just simulate it. Oh, I got you. Clever. Oh. AoE melee shit? AoE Age of Empires? I don't know, I want to do like a debuff. Like debuff resistance, something like that. Ooh, yes. Resistance. I like that. Yeah, because resistance is basically like your defense towards magic. So Sven Dota Cleave? Bro, what the fuck are you guys saying? Are you guys speaking a whole different language? What the fuck? Okay. We don't have to like list out every single skill that we want to do, but firearm, practice of archers, mass shooting, air, shower their needs with arrows. Yeah, let's do that. Because like that can be like a multi-hit attack. We'll do like level 4 or some shit. That's kind of like a... I knew I've heard volley somewhere. Do you play League in America Land? Not a lot of people do. It's not as popular here. It's not as poppin'. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like I have I know people that play League, but I don't associate with them. Nah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with League, but like it's, you know, it's not a game I'd ever want to personally touch. I did download League one time, and it'll stay that way. So, volley, I like that. This is fine. Buff attack. Maybe we should do like buff defense. That actually makes more sense. Buff defense. Yeah. Buff defense. Fireball, debuff resistance. We might just go with these for right now, honestly. I say that way as he never uninstalled it and still plays to this day. No, I uninstalled it. It is not installed on my computer. Same with Valorant. I uninstalled Valorant as well. For a good reason. Valorant. I'll always have Counter-Strike. I never intend to let that go. But yeah. Fucking League, Valorant, bro. Too many hoes. What? On what? What if there was a program where you uninstalled it, it deleted System32 out of spite? That would be amazing. I should do that for this. You know what, guys? I should make it like the final version of this game. We should make it where it's like, oh, in Valorant. Yeah, I guess. I should make it where like whenever you install this game, like if you lose, it just deletes System32. Just gone. Like that's your punishment. Bro, that would actually be that would actually be so funny. Bro. Okay. What's the other warrior thing that we should do though? We should do like charge or some shit. Or like I don't know. Like maybe like war cry. Let's do that. War cry. It basically just like buffs the attack. Or whatever. There is a game like that, I think. Lose. It's funny. Okay, we'll just make these skills, I think, honestly. I think that makes the most sense. Alright. So let's go ahead and list out those skills really quick. And what we can do is, because honestly, the whole can level system, like that works. That like it all works now, so that's good. All we really need to do is actually create the skill list, like the list of skills. Probably need to separate them too, hold on. Archer skills. Yeah, let's do that. What's the other one? Volley? Damage, HP, volley. Volley. And we also need to make the other class as well. Gotta go to 3D and add actually cool spells. Yeah, that'd be sick. That'd be sick. Hey, next project. Maybe one day we'll recycle this code and we can actually make it like a, you know what I mean? That'd be kind of sick. Alright. Is magic false? Is damage true? The amount of points... Excuse me. I guess we could do Vulcan 3D RPG. Yeah, fuck no, dude. Fuck no, bro. I feel like 25 would be too much, like, because it's not a direct shot. Let's do like 10. Because it's like you're doing, yeah, it's like you're doing like something crazy with that. We'll do like 35 for the cost. We can obviously change this whenever we want. But for right now, we'll do that. All enemies. Can I spell enemies, please? There we go. Cool, cool, cool. That's archer skills. Let's do warrior skills now. We'll do damage HP. What was it called? What was it again? Strong attack and war cry. So we can do strong attack. We can do 25. Yeah, let's do 25 on that. The cost can be, oh yeah, let's make sure we put this back down to 0 while we're at it. 25. What's the cost? Should be maybe 15. We'll just make it kind of balanced. Target type. Ooh, and I kind of like the buff attack thing. That'd actually be kind of cool. Wait, yeah, we need to make another class. Buff ATK. So let's do that. And honestly, let's just copy this, because all that's really going to be changed is just yeah, I think that's it. And then we can honestly just do the same shit here. Obviously this will be different, but you know. Do this, yes. Yes. Okay, cool. Nice. And that's really kind of it. Are you adding a class for each skill? Because I'm stupid. This is what I decided to do. Bro, clean coding hard. Yeah, it's probably not the best way to do this, but I just couldn't think of another way to do this. Like I was like lost. Like I had no idea what to do. Because I was like, well, the main reason I think is honestly because in use skill, yo, Austin, what's good? What's good, Rye? What's good? The main thing that I was really concerned about was I wanted to add like some kind of way where depending on what skill it was, I mean, I know this could have been done with like a switch case statement or some shit, but like depending on like the type of skill, I wanted this would be drastically different is basically what I'm trying to say. So I just said, fuck it, I'm just going to do derived classes for each skill. Fuck it, why not, right? I just use pointers a lot. Why not use references, passing by reference for your func arguments? Yeah, I mean, I could pass by reference, but the thing is, like, these are basically derived characters, or like, this usually isn't a character, it's a archer, or yeah, it's like an archer, or it's a warrior or some shit. I don't know. I probably could have done that, but fuck it. I wrote this a while ago. It's been like over a month since I wrote the skill system. So, I'm not really going to change it all that much. I think I'm just going to keep it as is. I think the way that I'm going to do this is probably just the exact same way that I did get attack. Attack was raised by, yeah, let's do that. Was raised by this. I like this. Yes. That's just good. That's just good. It's actually pretty simple. And then what else do we need? We also need what else do we need? Actually, I don't know. You good? Just curious. How much time have you been programming? I've been programming for about 2.5 years. This specific project though, I've been doing probably for like, I don't know, since Halloween. So I don't know, how long is that? Almost 2 months? Yeah, almost 2 months. Good to see you, by the way, Sophia. Welcome in. Hope you're doing okay. Merry Christmas to you. I finished implementing the inventory system. Oh, hell yeah, nice. And unequip system for items. Took me a few days. That's awesome, bro. Good shit, good shit. If I ever do add items, I'm probably gonna wish that I did it earlier. Probably gonna wish that I did it way earlier. Nice, I'm starting my 6th year in programming. Wish me luck. Damn. Damn, so you're probably a pro. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. What do you, if you don't mind me asking, what do you like to program? Like, do you like doing embedded system stuff? Do you like doing game dev? Like, what's your niche? What's your thing? What's your area? Okay. So, damage HP, buff defense, buff attack. Oh, fuck. I actually just thought of this too. If it's like a fireball though, I feel like that's... Here, hold on, wait. Let's do, fuck. Hold on, this is actually kind of weird. This is actually low-key kind of weird. Yeah, I'm leaving combat loop for last, because for combat, I want my player to be able to actually use the skills and consumables, so I thought about... Yeah, for sure. Bro, I really like game dev. I started with Java back in 2020 when I was 14. Oh, hell yeah. I spent like 2 years making a FNAF clone in Java. That's fucking sick. You started with Java? You started with Java. Dead ass? You started with Java? That is an insane language to start with. What was not your whatever it's called, your inspiration? No, I mean, that's sick though. That's sick. You made a FNAF clone? That's sick. Cause Minecraft? Yeah, fucking there it is. Cause Minecraft. Nah, that's sick actually. That's actually kind of like, some people say the way to go is like to start with something like C. You know what I mean? Like something not like, you know, because everyone starts with like Python or whatever. So some people say like starting like kind of lower level, not that Java is like super low, but I mean it kind of is. But you know, still. Yes, I loved watching Notch code. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I saw that that documentary or whatever they did with him like years and years ago, where he was like typing super fast and like he like made like an exploding arrow just for fun or whatever. And I was like, dude, that is so fucking cool. Like, imagine if you could just do that. But we're on our way. We're on our way to that. Yeah, so I think in damage HP, we need to be able to get, if it's a magic user who is actually using it. Yeah, so source and target. Are we doing source and target here as well? Yes, okay, that's good. That's good. I want to make sure that we have the source no matter what. C is a good first programming language, yes, because it's a language that assumes you're cracked until you proved you're cooked. Unless other languages that are way more high level like Python or Java for that instance. Yeah, I mean, I would have tapped out if I started with C though. Like genuinely, I actually would have. I got into C right before graduating high school. I really want to get better at it though. One way to get better at it, if you are interested in like embedded stuff, get one of these bad boys right here. Get an ESP32. They're super cheap. You can get like a 3-pack for like 15 bucks. Bro. Just program like a door sensor or like, fuck it. I mean, anything. I made like a door sensor using C. It was really fun. It was really good. It kind of got me a little better at C. This is great too. In fact, I personally think it's better than C. It gets a lot of hate because it's simply harder. The excuse being it's bloated, yeah. Fell in love with C at first sight. In my book, that's just another term for more complete. More complete? I guess, dude. I guess. Okay, so whenever it comes to the terminal, we need to make sure that this needs to be a ternary. So we need to do like lost. Well, no, if it's green or red, do we need to do that? Like, I feel like we don't need to do that, low key. Yeah, like I feel like we don't. Wait, what determines it's oh wait, it's is magic. That's what determines it, right? Yeah, I think so. Whenever like we construct it, yeah. Hold on, wait. Let's go to skill really quick. Sorry, my fucking allergies are so ass right now. Yeah, but we do like where's the how do we construct it? I don't understand. I don't understand my own code. Yeah, no, I forgot. I have no idea where we did that. I think whenever we print it, right? Yeah, okay, yeah, that might actually be it. We do, yeah, okay, yeah, no, I remember. We do this, yes. If is magic, if it's damage, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, that's how we color code it, yeah. I forgot. Write a program that bypasses allergies easy. Shut the fuck up, Danny. Well, if you really like game dev, I could assume you C++ will help you a lot. Yeah, C++ is really good for game dev. Talking about king of memory management here. It's a huge portion of game dev market. Yeah, C++ is huge for game dev. That's why I'm trying to get cracked at it, but clearly I'm not. Clearly I suck. Don't look at this file. Don't look at this file. Okay. We need to, yeah, so, I mean, do we even really want to do that? No, that's just stupid. I really don't want to do that, actually. Yeah, no, I really don't want to do that. Arenas, for the record? What do you mean? What you talking about? Yeah, I feel like that's just kind of stupid. Attack was raised by, yeah. We will keep it green and red. Because, well, I don't know, man. Let's just do... fuck it. Let's just make a ternary. I'm being lazy, but I shouldn't do that. Yeah, I'll just, whatever. I have this big ass C++ book I got collecting dust. I really gotta read it. That's nice. I cannot see myself. Bro, my allergies are so fucked right now, dude. Holy shit, I need to... Maybe the Arizona tea will, heal me. I can never see myself using a programming book, but maybe it's just because I've never tried it. I don't know. Like, maybe I'd read it, like, in my free time, but... Other than that, I don't see why I'd ever really want to use it. So let's do a ternary. Let's do is magic? Is that what we're doing? If this is true, basically, let's make sure that we have it in parentheses. And then we'll do bright green if it's false. And then we can do, excuse me. It's not, we could do terminal, foreground. This might be too much, but whatever, fuck you. Terminal, right. What was it? Magenta? Is that what we did? Right, magenta? Alright, not chat, let's see. What did I select on that? Yeah, it's magenta. Okay. That's fine. You're majoring in computer-related field? Yes, I'm majoring in a comp sci. Gonna get replaced by AI. So, programming books are good, but I think it depends on how you study. Yeah, for sure. I prefer physical books rather than on screen. Really? Really? See, like, certain things maybe, but I don't know. Like, I don't really think there's anything that I, like, read. And that's, like, my preferred way of studying. Like, I don't know. Videos kind of help me out a lot better, honestly. But, Oh my gosh, dude, my fucking voice. But I don't know, like I still like reading though. I do like reading. I was reading a Marcus Aurelius book earlier too. Nice. I'm majoring in computer engineering. Oh shit. Hell yeah. I work with a couple of computer engineering majors or computer engineering graduates at my job. They're pretty cool. Isn't computer engineering like one of the top like rated unemployment fields? Not as a diss, like genuinely, like I think one of the coworkers like literally said that it was. So we want to get into OS dev. Ooh, make an operating system, bro. Fuck yeah, let's go. That's pretty sick, bro. Computer engineering is not for the weak. Yeah, I chose the easier route if I'm being honest. Stats points, yeah, okay. So that ternary works just fine, but we need to do the same shit for defense, don't we? Yeah, we gotta do the exact same shit, which is like fine, I guess. Honestly, we could just copy that, yeah? We could do... Yeah, we could just copy this entire line, I think. Copy the entire ternary. Yeah. Boom. There we go, yeah. And then I guess we could do the same shit for damage HP, yeah? Yeah. Except it's gonna be a little different, but it's fine. It'll be like bright magenta. No, it'll be like what did we say, blue? Yeah, we said blue on that one. And then oh shit, wrong one. And then bright red. Right? Yeah. That's what we did. Cool. That might be good. Might be low-key kind of good to go. Spend a lot of time in front of my PC, work included, so I've never really liked spending more time on screen. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah. Maybe younger people may study with books less often nowadays, bro. I don't really care because I want to focus like more on engineering part because computers or using computers, so like work with space stuff basically. That's sick. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I think most computer engineering majors, I don't know if they really... I don't really know why they major in that. I mean, I don't know. I don't really know much as far as like why someone would want to go. I mean, I guess it's just like low level. Like you kind of want to work with like systems and stuff like that. You know what I mean? That's never really been for me. I've always like enjoyed the software part of, you know, tech. So... But when I was a kid, I always wanted to make games. That's kind of what got me into programming. But I enjoy doing a lot of stuff though with programming, like embedded systems. I've found to actually really enjoy recently, so that's been a lot of fun. Web dev is cool, I guess. I mean, it's all right. But I don't know. I already worked with web dev and I hated it, bro. Web dev, honestly, dude, front end sucks penis. I'm gonna be so for real. I'm gonna be so fucking for real. Web dev or like front end sucks. CSS, HTML, all that kind of shit, bro. AI writes that for me. I don't fucking write that shit, bro. That shit is so ass. So ass. Like genuinely. I think most people got into programming either because of games or money. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's very rare that people are like, oh, I want to write an operating system when they're like 16. So fair enough. Yeah, I used to play, do you guys know RPG Maker? I used to play that when I was like 14. And I was like, dude, it'd be so cool if I could like make an actual game with like, you know, actually program a game. Like that'd be so sick. Because God told them to. Oh, that's true. That's true. Fucking Terry. It's not for most people though, so never mind. Yeah. I mean, if your name's Terry and you were God's chosen programmer. Bro. Come on, guys. Only real ones right in Holy C. Let's be real. If you're not using Holy, or what is it called? Simple OS. What's wrong with you? Yeah, so I think this works. So I think we can go ahead and make that now. Dude, my fucking allergies, man. Buff ATK. What is it called again? Warcry? Cry. False. True. Point. I guess we could do like 8. I don't know, some shit like that. Excuse me. 8. The cost will be. Cost needs to be something kind of big. Let's do this. Let's do 15 actually. We'll do 15 and we will get. Let's get 20 out of that actually. Because it is kind of an overpowered move. Because it's like. Can I not type? Oh my fuck, dude. Nice, nice. Cool, cool, cool. Are we good? Buff attack. It doesn't know what the fuck that is. Still can't type. Nice. I daily drive my Temple OS. Most people on this stream use Temple OS according to the poll. That's true. That's true. We did a poll that one time. So apparently most people actually use Temple OS. So, hey, I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of you guys if you do. If you do not use Temple OS, please respectfully get the fuck out of my chat. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So Warcry. Let's go ahead and go to Warrior. And add that to the thing. Why are we setting is magic false twice? Who the fuck did that? Who the fuck did that? Okay, unlockable skills. And I think we did it like this, right? Level 2, we're gonna do strong attack. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, doesn't know what the fuck that is. Hold on, wait. I know why. I know why. Do we need to put this in character? Is that where we need to do it? Yeah. That's actually where we need to do it, right? Or no? Maybe not though, because earlier was having issues too. I don't know. Let's just. That seems so fucking excessive though, dude. Whatever, it's fine. Just whenever we need it, we'll just have to do it, I guess. Damage. Oh wait, no. Skills. Damage HP. Include skills. Motherfucking buff attack. Nice. Okay, we'll go here. Strong attack. Do you recognize what strong attack is? It does not. What did we add to Archer earlier? Did we have to add? Yeah. So we have to add skill list too. That sucks, but whatever. This is not a fairy tale. I already know how you like it. Take it to the mall and get you on a new outfit. That's the shit I want. There we go. That should fix itself. Right? Right? Did we not name it strong attack? What the fuck? Strong. Or I'm confused. Strong attack. Yeah. Do you not recognize what this is? Oh, it still doesn't know what the fuck it is. Damage HP. It's a damage HP function. Do I need to add both of them? Both of them? Is that what I just said? Why is that still fucked up, bro? What the hell? This is a no glowy zone? Psycho. What are you talking about? Why is it not working? Bro, for the next project, just have one file for everything. Ah, yes, Danny, you're right, dude. What? Yes, why didn't I think of that shit, bro? You're so right. That keeps everything organized into one file. Ah, why didn't I think of that, bro? Fucking hell, bro. Someone like should have told me that. Okay. Why? Oh, yes. We did the exact same shit last time. Holy fuck. Why am I so dumb? I'm actually dumb. I forget that we have to do this. Wait. What? Damage HP. Oh, yeah. No, I'm stupid. Yeah, so damage HP, strong attack. Yeah. I forget that we have to do this shit. buff attack, war cry. Yeah, okay. So that should fix it. Boom. Okay, we also need to define what this is first. Or do a forward declaration really quick. Okay, very nice. Nice. Go back here, and now it'll recognize it. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. They call me the GOAT. They call me the GOAT. Cue gif of Drake at the laptop? What are you talking about? Oh, the... What are you talking about? Unironically. We should all program our games in x86 assembly. Yeah, I think you're right. Let's just all program in assembly. Let's all make another roller coaster tycoon. What do you mean you're saying that unironically? Why would I put it all in one file? Just have one file for everything? You mean like create everything and list it there? Is that what you mean? There we go. Nice. So we add that to unlockable skills. Very cool. Because that's literally better. Is it like more efficient? Why would I? That makes it hell. Yeah, come on. Readability is above performance. It needs to be readable. A couple skills there. Let's go to Archer, because I think we already did that's not Archer. Didn't we already make volley? I need to close some of these. Holy shit, dude, my allergies, bro. Do you reckon Chris Sawyer is related to Tom Sawyer from the Mark Twain book? I don't have to jump around 20 files. Yeah, but you gotta jump around like tens of thousands of lines of code in one file, dude. I mean, I know you could just like control F that shit, but it's like, bro, fuck that. I'm not doing that, bro. Yeah, that's way worse, bro. Okay, let's go to Archer. And I think this one's pretty easy. We just need to do... Did we do volley at 4 or did we do volley at... Where did we do that at? Volley is... Yeah, volley is 4. Shit, what just happened? Got a FaceTime. Bro, I have 8K line file and that's a bliss to work with. A bliss to work with? There's no shot. Volley. Does it not recognize volley? It doesn't recognize volley. Buff. Wait, that's not even it though. It's damage HP. They're both damage HP. Right? Wait, did I not add it to the I didn't, yeah. That's what it was. I was like, what? Tatted your past, what up? Now it's looking like an arm sleeve. Just know that was all me. Okay, that should fix itself. Nice. Nice. Let's go. So that's good to go. Let's list the other ones. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so Archer. I'll do mage skills next. We'll do damage, HP, fireball. Is that what we did? Fireball, jutsu. Fireball. False. Oh wait, no, that's supposed to be true, yeah. True, false. Wait, hold on. Mr. O, Kanye. Straight from the go, Kanye. I hate the new Kanye. The always rude Kanye. Especially in the news Kanye. Mr. Sweet Kanye. Chop up the beats, Kanye. Wait, where? Yeah, I feel like we did this wrong. Like, totally wrong. Is magic? Where? Like, oh, it's the, if the skill is magic. Right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Fuck it. Okay. We'll do 2515. Kind of just the same shit, honestly. Bada bing, bada boom. And then, what was the other one? Buff defense? Or was it like debuff? Wait, was it a debuff? I feel like it was a debuff, wasn't it? Yeah. Excuse me. Debuff resistance. Damn. Debuff resistance. Damn, that kind of sucks though, because like, damn, actually, you know what? The whole skill system might need to be refactored. I'm not even joking. The whole skill system might need to be refactored, because if we have something like debuff resistance, that means that we could potentially have like a debuff or a buff for every single skill. We have buff attack and buff defense, but that was, I mean, it's not like too much. It's just a lot, dude. Like, Grand Refactor and C incoming? Fuck no. We are not doing that, bro. Holy C maybe, but you know what? I don't really want to do that. Let's just do this in the most inefficient way possible. Excuse me. We'll just do... Oh, dude, this actually sucks. We'll do debuff resistance, bro. That sucks, bro. Like, that actually sucks. I don't know, chat. Because that means that we could potentially have so many different files, bro. That means like there would be 2 files for every... There would be 4 files for every single skill. Buff, right? Buff, the .h file and the .c++ file, and the debuff for the same shit. And that is just so inefficient. When we have 4, bro, like, dude, we're cooked. We're actually fucking cooked. We're actually fucking cooked. Whatever, man. Whatever. Let's just do this. We'll kind of do the same shit as buff, honestly. Debuff. Resistance? Bro, 40 files are fine. We're not having 1 file. I mean, honestly, low-key, we could just have 1 file that's just, like, has all of these. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could have 1 file. Like, that actually wouldn't be too bad of an idea. Like, if we're gonna have something like this, having 1 file where it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, might actually not be that bad of an idea. I'll add it to the fucking to-do list, bro. Hold on. Bro, this whole thing is so fucking messy. Let's go down here. To do 1 file for all skill types. And then finish skills. 1 file is better than multiple files. Bro, psycho. Chill, bro. Finish skill list. Yeah, we'll do that. Alright, dude. We'll do that the 27th because I actually have to be up early, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I have to be up early and I low-key kind of forgot. So alright, guys. Merry Christmas, guys. Hold on, wait. Before I go, let me commit the changes really quick. What did we add? Added New skills? I don't know. We just have new skills. Fuck it. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, bro. Solbyte, did you vote? What did I vote? Wait, what? What do you mean? Like in the election? This previous election? Unless you mean this poll. If you're referring to this poll, I vote that we replace Snorlax. I'll be honest. The Snorlax election? Yeah. I think we should replace Snorlax. I'm not even gonna lie. Because, dude, look. Snorlax is awesome, okay? But we gotta have, like... Snorlax will be back next Christmas, okay? Snorlax will be back, alright? Homie will return, okay? So it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's all good. Because it's 50-50. Well, someone who hasn't voted, vote, please. Should I do another coin flip? The roll will end by December 2026, you think so? Yeah, probably so. You're probably not wrong. Well. Chat. I'm finna head out. I think we'll do another poll next time to maybe decide Snorlax's fate. He might die, he might not. We'll see. Okay, guys. So, anyways, you guys have an amazing Christmas. All right. Thank you guys so much for the support and everything else like that. I'm going to be streaming on the 27th. So, there we go. Mark it in your calendars. All right. Build ships. We will flood, guys. Bro. All right. But anyways, guys, Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope you guys get what you asked for. Psycho, you're definitely on the naughty list, so there's no way you get what you asked for. But anyways. All right, guys. I'm gonna head out. Once again, have a Merry Christmas. All right. And take care, guys.